So if Odysseus had a song, it would be इधर चला मैं उधर चला जाने कहाँ मैं किधर चला.
और अगर पेनेलोपी गाती ओडिसियस के लिए गाना तो वो गाती कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है.
If Tom Holland and Anne Hathaway had to say something to their guests, they would say, सुहानी रात ढल गई ना जाने तुम कब जाओगे. See, normally that would be the end of an intro, but we thought let's go all out. Another round. Snail.
So if Cyclops had a song, आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ माफ हो.
Don't you mean आँख की?
आँख की गुस्ताखी.
तेरे मस्त मस्त एक नैन.
आँख को मारे Odysseus आँख को मारे.
Odyssey आँख को मारे आँख को मारे.
If Odysseus' crew had a song for Odysseus, it would have been खो गए हम कहाँ.
Yeah, that's too loud.
खो गए हम कहाँ.
Correct. And finally, if Robert Pattinson had a song for Anne Hathaway,
Yeah.
दिल करता है तेरे पास आऊं तेरे पास आके तेरा हो जाऊं रस्ते रस्ते गलियों कहाँ तक फिर मैं दीवाना अब तो गले से लगाना. Welcome to another episode of Popcorn. I'm joined by
Snail
and
Past moment.
guys, we are talking about so many awesome things today. Odyssey, one of the
most
best
hyped
movies.
films. Most hyped,
possibly best movies of the year.
Yeah.
Find out. Stick around. Also, we are doing what we've been promising for the last, say, 4 weeks.
2 weeks, 2-3
Say
weeks.
about 2-3 weeks is comment section. We are finally reading you. I mean, we have a slew of comments that we have to get through because we have reached 5,000 subscribers and you guys get to enjoy us enjoying those comments. Okay.
I'm not sure whether we're going to be enjoying the
I mean-
comments. But ठीक है.
बट जितना हर्ट करना था कमेंट्स को उतना हर्ट कर दिया ऑलरेडी यार.
कसम
अब
से
क्या करेंगे यार, अब क्या करेंगे.
मतलब एक तो आप हमारी हालत सोचो, हम पहले तो हमने 50-55 कमेंट निकाले, फिर उनको शॉर्टलिस्ट करा
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
कि सबसे ज्यादा ब्रूटल कौन से हैं.
भाई अब इंटर्न और क्या काम करेगा. We had an intern. His period is over.
कुछ ब्रूटल कमेंट्स आपने खुद के डाल दिए, बोले है भी नहीं है मैं बट डाल देता हूँ.
पैसा नहीं दिया हराम से.
इंटर्न लाइक ये चूतिया अंतरिक्ष क्या बात कर रहे थे. Alright guys, so a lot to talk about. We also were thinking maybe we'll do an Avengers trailer reaction or a Spider-Man trailer reaction, but then those things will, by the time this episode comes out, those things will already happen.
Yeah.
Also do tell us in the comments if you'd like to see like an Odyssey recast episode.
Oh yeah, that would be awesome, dude. What a great
But
idea,
with-
Snehil.
But with Indian actors.
Indian actors, हाँ, of
Yeah.
course. हाँ. Like Odyssey में अगर नसरुद्दीन शाह
अगर
होता
बॉलीवुड में बनती.
I would cast Nasruddin Shah as the blind guy. Uranimus, I think his
Urine?
name is. Not urine. What is his name? Uranimus, I think. Maybe
Uranus?
Uranium.
Uranus.
It's great start to an awesome episode, I'm sure.
Yeah. Who won't want to listen to urine in the first 5
Yeah,
minutes?
man.
Eumaeus. Sorry, not Uranimus.
Yeah, you may continue the episode.
Everybody.
Thank you. Guys, we have a lot to get to. It's literally one of the most hyped movies
Yes.
of the year. Before we get into the main talk, Odyssey talk, how well versed are you guys when it comes to like Greek mythology, Roman mythology, the Greek gods, Zeus, Poseidon, Hades?
नहीं नहीं यार मेरे को उतना
For him, only Hinduism is the only religion.
The one true religion.
एक सेकंड पिक्चर देख के उस सीन पे सबको रामायण आई याद की नहीं आई.
वही हर किसी सीन
बस पे
कौन सा scene?
हर दूसरे सीन पे
Rest-
बाण सीता स्वयंवर.
या ब्रो सीता स्वयंवर, फिर उसके बाद स्वयंवर कैसे पूरा होगा, उस पे बाण चढ़ा के ब्रो लाइक आई रेस्ट माय केस ऑफ
But now do you think our Ramayana lives up to that scene of Odyssey?
ब्रो. इफ ओडिसी लिव्स अप टू दैट सीन वो पूछना चाहिए आप.
नहीं, I'm talking about Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayana, bro.
Oh, Nitesh
Ramayana in
Tiwari.
general, of course, we know is a much bigger epic.
ये अब ऐसा हो गया ना, यानी सुपरमैन एक्चुअली प्रिंट में पहले आया था पर आयरन मैन पिक्चर पहले आ गई, तो क्या सुपरमैन आयरन मैन जितनी अच्छा होगा?
सही सही ठीक है, जो अब्बास ने बोला
can be.
अब्बास अपना खुद का इंसेप्शन मार रहा है.
But like, how well versed are you guys in Japan?
I not much.
Yeah, not much.
Whatever little I know, I do it from because of the Percy Jackson.
Yes! Dude!
Also,
I have read all of them.
Yeah.
Some like a few repeatedly.
Yeah.
And you know, like, so every in Odyssey the movie, all these trials that Odyssey has to go through before he can reach his homeland. Percy Jackson went through all of them in the second book. So I was looking forward to, next this is gonna happen. Next this is gonna happen. Next this is gonna happen. I was fucking excited and bawling to the
बट
entire
मैं
movie.
जितना सो अगेन मुझे उतना नहीं मालूम था मूवी के बारे में या एपिक के बारे में या कुछ, तो मैं जाने से पहले थोड़ा होमवर्क कर रहा था, जो कि आपको ऑलमोस्ट हर नोलन फिल्म के लिए करना. नोलन मुझे लगता है पिक्चर कम बनाता है, होमवर्क ज्यादा देता है. पहले सोच समझ के पढ़ के आना, फिर उसके बाद पता लगेगा क्या हो रहा है पिक्चर में. बट एनीवे, सो आई हैड नोटेड डाउन ऑल द नेम्स, आई हैड रेड ऑल द स्टोरीज, नॉट ऑल द स्टोरीज बट व्हाटएवर. बट जितना भी डिटेल में या जितना स्कैरी और जितना डिफिकल्ट मतलब स्टोरी में पढ़ने को लग रहा था, आई डोंट थिंक फिल्म में उतना मतलब आई थिंक फिल्म में बस ऐसा उसने साइलेंट पे जाना था तो टिक मार्क.
Dude, actually, if you think about it, this is the most, in a way, the most basic or the most linear of Christopher
all
Nolan
Nolan
movies.
films.
Yes.
There's no like mind bendingness that is
भाई
happening. for the
माइंड
most part.
बेंडिंगनेस छोड़ो, मतलब थोड़ा दूर से ही पता चल रहा था क्या होने वाला है पिक्चर.
पर वो
ऐसा
तो-
भी नहीं
पर
है.
dude, see,
But that's
the
not
thing
the-
is,
an epic
कौन
is-
सी चीज
Dude,
आपको
dude,
ऐसी
dude,
लगी
dude.
कि
epic में क्या twist
I
करेगा
get it,
यार?
मैं तभी तो मैंने नहीं उठाया ट्विस्ट वाला पॉइंट भाई.
the thing is, okay, this every story basically, right? Especially in the Western universe, Western world, whatever.
Western canon
Yes, Western canon. All stories are basically some kind of a derivative of
of these.
the Iliad and Homer's Odyssey. Basically, like how Ramayana and Mahabharata are basically the foundations of every story that we see
That we see,
in this side of the hemisphere, right? So it's basically that. Everything will be some kind of like a version
Of course,
or derivative of this thing. So other than the Percy Jackson movies, like
So I just want to say
the
recently there have been 2 books. There's an author called Madeline Miller. She's written 2 books. One is The Song of Achilles and the other is Circe. Circe, who as we see is conceived as a witch in Greek mythology. Circe, the novel is from Circe's point of view.
she's
Like,
actually
why
the
she's
daughter of
actually-
Hecate, I think.
Okay, I think yeah.
Hecate is the goddess of magic. Again, I know my Greek mythology stuff.
Fine, man. Stop
This is
it.
crazy.
So anyway, that book actually was a big influence recently in me knowing more about Greek mythology, and those 2 books are really very very well written. So,
Okay, cool.
yeah.
Other than that, do you guys ever play the God of War games, the Hades video
No,
games?
Also, there was a film called Clash of Titans, which
Oh
had
yeah, that was
Hades and
dude.
Zeus.
It was okay as a movie. Yeah. This first one was alright. Second one was really bad.
But no, I've never played God of War.
Yeah, God of War, epic games. I'm sure if you played, you know already all these figures. Ares is the God of War in that one.
Okay.
In this, the God of War is Athena, who is also the God of War, goddess of war and wisdom.
Ares
That's
was
why she
also the
plays a
villain
major role
in
in this.
the Wonder Woman movie.
The Wonder Woman movie, yes, correct.
Yeah.
Ares is that. In the comics, Ares is like her half brother because she's also daughter of Zeus. Ares is
Correct.
also daughter is son of Zeus.
Yeah.
Zeus is the lightning god. Anyway,
Yeah, the one thing about Greek gods, they fuck.
a lot, dude. So, dude, for instance, okay, we'll come to the plot of the movie. Like, did you guys understand what Zeus's law is?
कि मतलब भगवान किसी में भी हो सकता है, तो सबको इज्जत से
Basically,
बात
but
करने का.
why is it called Zeus's law? It's very interesting.
No, I don't know that.
So basically, Zeus famously, right? He would go about dressed as a
Mortals,
pauper.
huh.
Okay, not
A pauper,
as a pauper, as a beggar, to see who actually is a good person and who's not, and then pass judgment on them depending on
Okay.
that. That's why Zeus's law is okay,
good to everyone.
treat others how you would like to be treated, right? Because Zeus can mean anyone. Like भगवान किसी में भी हो सकता है, भगवान कोई भी हो सकता है. So in a way, very profound. And that's where the whole Zeus's law comes in. And you guys didn't understand, of course, this is not me asking.
Yeah, we didn't understand anything.
No, I'm not. This is not me asking you. Anyway,
अब से माइक्स रख देते हैं. Guys, this is not a podcast anymore, it's a monologue.
but then, like, of course, then the journey of how Zeus' law was broken, and that led to the corrupting of the world in general.
Of Athena? No, not Athena. What's the place?
Ithaca.
हाँ.
Of Ithaca and like the world at large in general, like Greeks in general, got corrupted because Zeus' law was broken. And once Zeus' law was broken at that scale, it was difficult to then get it back to it not having been broken, and like so that's what corrupted the world. It's like basically like the foundation of how Adam ate the apple that corrupted him, and once corruption is done, it's difficult to undo.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
corruption, what?
Hey, what corruption is hard to undo?
नहीं हो पाता है क्या? क्या बात
What are you guys doing? Saying,
It's
man?
not like there's a protest going on
Yeah,
right
dude,
now
that's
to like.
exactly right.
Yeah.
Like, so there's no protest. That's what I'm saying.
Of course. Yeah.
But how do you know so much about Greek mythology?
Again, Percy Jackson.
Are you
Then
half Greek?
dude, like extensive research because I got obsessed with Percy Jackson. Okay, Poseidon was fucking the god of water, the seas,
ocean, yeah.
and the father of Percy Jackson. Then there are various characters. So if you don't know, okay, Snail and others, okay, in case you know what Percy Jackson is,
नहीं
so fuck you, man. Then what the fuck?
Percy Jackson is poor man's Harry Potter. There, I said it.
I wouldn't call it that exactly.
But it got fame around that same.
Basically, it is what if Greek gods existed in the present world, and they still went around banging or whatever, sleeping with mortals, okay, and having children. The children then grow up as
Half human, half god.
demigods or whatever, half gods. And there's like a school for demigods called
Like,
Camp
like
Half-Blood.
there is Hogwarts for magicians.
Camp Half-Blood.
Camp
Crazy,
Half-Blood,
bro. Fantastic. So that, then God of War, Hades, the video game. Then in Marvel Comics and DC Comics,
Oh, yeah.
these gods always play
Yeah,
some kind of a role. So yeah, I just like get very obsessed with like mythology when it comes to like whenever they're like there's lightning involved. Like I know a lot about Zeus for some reason. Whenever there's like dragons involved, so I know a little bit of Norse mythology. Anyway, I'll tell you Norse on some other time.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go ahead.
When Avengers
go ahead.
comes.
Let's go ahead. Yes, correct. Yeah, that's Thor. Wait for it. All right, let's get to it then, guys. The discussion of the movie. Mota, pehli baat. What did you think? Were you expecting something
Did we all
else?
see it in IMAX?
Yeah.
Badala IMAX, yes.
Whichever, but
नहीं,
IMAX.
वडाला नहीं.
Badala
IMAX,
I
yeah.
saw it in BKC. हाँ.
Okay. Yeah, IMAX.
IMAX,
Is- But do you think that's the only way to see it? Because I think it was fine only, bro. It would have been fine
I mean, see the
somewhere
thing.
else
I mean,
also.
I don't. I mean, I know that we are privileged enough that we could pay that exorbitant ticket amount to watch
yeah.
it in IMAX.
भाई कितने का टिकट में देखे आप?
2000.
2000? 2000?
Yeah, bro.
My fucking god, dude. अरे बाप रे बाप.
If Abbas...
कितने की परी?
आपने कितने में देखी?
मैंने like 700 में देखी, bro.
Bro, you won at life, bro.
Yeah, man. I went for like a very late show.
आप कहाँ देखे आप?
Vadala.
You watched it in Vadala?
Vadala, what is that?
Miraj Cinemas.
Yes, Mira Cinema.
So अच्छा, I was about to go to the Vadala वाला theater, but I got told कि वहाँ पे green dots वगैरह दिखती हैं.
Oh, मेरे को नहीं
वो थोड़ा fuck all हो जाता है.
It's
I
been
think
fine for
किसी का
whatever.
एक कोई experience हुआ
जाओ
होगा.
I've seen Project Hail Mary and Avatar 3 there. And
Bro, I went to this theater called Inox in Orbit, Malad.
Okay.
Those fuckers, dude.
What happened?
भाई 1300 रुपए का टिकट था. 1300 रुपए के टिकट पे पिक्चर देखा मैं. भाई मिड मूवी प्रोजेक्टर चलना बंद हो गया. 2 में से एक प्रोजेक्टर ही नहीं चल रहा है.
The Indian movie going experience problems.
Bro,
Typical.
Bro,
Yeah.
ठीक
And
है.
then did someone like, "Hey, चूतिया, खोल."
Bro,
वापस चालू कर.
मैं मस्त अपना बैठ के देख रहा हूँ. एक तो पॉपकॉर्न खरीदने की औकात नहीं आफ्टर दिस
correct.
तो मैं चुपचाप ऐसे कुछ कर भी नहीं सकता मैं. एंड मैं देख रहा हूँ. एक तो मैं समझ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने नहीं पढ़ी ना पर्सी जैक्सन. ठीक है, तो मैं ध्यान से देख रहा हूँ भाई. हाँ, ये नाम, एक तो नाम पता नहीं ये लोग सोनू मोनू क्यों नहीं रखते, बट एनीवे ठीक है. एक और मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि भाई ग्रीक मैथोलॉजी ऋतिक आएगा अभी.
यार कहीं तो अच्छा काम कर रहे ऋतिक.
बट नहीं, ठीक है, अल्फा से फुर्सत मिले तो. बट एनीवे, एंड सडनली देयर इज अ पिंक ह्यू इन लाइक थ्रू द स्क्रीन.
Yeah.
ठीक है, एंड आई एम लाइक हाँ
Aphrodite.
ठीक है. एंड देन 10-20 सेकंड बाद वो पिक्चर से आपका वो नहीं होता, आपकी आईज अडेप्ट करने लग जाती हैं उस शेड को. ठीक है, एंड देन द पिंक शेड गोज आफ्टर लाइक अ फ्यू मिनट्स.
You mean the movie still going on, but there's a pink hue?
Yeah, exactly. ठीक है,
okay.
there's a pink hue, and then I saw like 2-3 people get up जो ऐसा purists होंगे ना कि भाई मैं नहीं देखूंगा
गुस्सा
ऐसा.
जाके कर
हाँ,
रहे
ठीक है,
हैं,
they went out and वापस आए. तो I could see the person कि एक बंदा आया, उसने देखा आके, उसने कॉल वॉल किया whatever, तो वो पिंक स्लेट हट गया.
Oh, okay.
भाई फिर वो पिक्चर का प्रिंट अचानक HD से SD हो गया.
Oh, ऐसा
ठीक
भी
है,
is that possible? I don't know.
एग्जैक्टली सो आई टेल यू
Focus हट गया.
या ब्रो, सो मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आपको वो प्रिंट एचडी नहीं दिख रहा, बट लाइक आपको दिखता नहीं कि एक मतलब अल्ट्रा एचडी से एचडी हो गया. लेट मी से इट दैट वे, नॉट एचडी टू
No, I
एचडी,
get it.
बट लाइक अल्ट्रा
Focus-
एचडी से
focus point off हो गया.
एचडी हो गया.
Yeah.
डूड आई वॉच इंटरवल, मैं बोले चलो ठीक है इंटरवल में जाऊंगा, एक तो वैसे ही बड़ी मुश्किल समझ आ रही है. ठीक है, तो भाई
क्यों मुश्किल समझ?
अरे मतलब एज इन द नेम्स
It's a
एंड
dense
ऑल,
movie, bro.
ठीक है.
Okay, sure.
तो इंटरवल हुआ, आई वेंट आउट एंड आई एम लाइक भाई ये क्या चल रहा है, इसको लाइक आई कैन सी दैट देयर इज लाइक द शार्पनेस इज गॉन
Yeah.
फ्रॉम द फिल्म.
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah,
है, डूड दिस पर्सन लाइक द मैनेजर ही सेज वैसा ही है. मैंने कहा वैसा तू कैसे है वैसा भाई? एंड इज लाइक नहीं बीच में खराब हुआ था, मैंने उसको फोन किया, उसने बोला ठीक हो गया.
नहीं ठीक तो नहीं. हाँ.
भाई घंटा नहीं ठीक हुआ. देन दी अदर पर्सन केम आउट, ठीक है, जो अपेरेंटली ऊपर प्रोजेक्टर हैंडल कर रहा था. ठीक है, एंड देन ही गोज कि सर हमारे ना 2 प्रोजेक्टर चल रहे थे, एक प्रोजेक्टर पे लाइट खराब हो गया पिंक, तो हमने वो एक प्रोजेक्टर ही बंद कर दिया है, तो अब दूसरे प्रोजेक्टर से आप फिल्म देख सकते हो. मैंने कहा भाई
Oh wait, so normally theaters have 2 projectors at the same
IMAX
time?
screens I think have 2 projectors.
ठीक है,
Oh crazy.
ठीक
I
है.
haven't
सो
put that together. That's crazy.
सो देन ही सेज कि वो हमने एक बंद ही कर दिया है, क्वालिटी में कोई फर्क नहीं आया होगा. मैंने कहा कैसे नहीं फर्क आया होगा?
Yeah, bro.
तू थोड़ा डम है कि तू मुझे डम समझ रहा है. तो इज लाइक नहीं, मैंने एक टेक्निकल टीम से बात करी है, वो कहते हैं फर्क ही नहीं आता है. I'm like भाई तो फिर तुम चूती हो, तुम 2 लगाते हो.
पागल लोग हो गया तुम.
या वही ना, मतलब कैसी बातें हैं ये dude?
That doesn't make any
And
sense,
then
right?
bro he started being rude and stuff. He's like सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कोई फर्क नहीं आता है, मैंने टेक्निकल टीम से बात करी है कि मैं आपकी सुनूंगा.
अबे तुम मेरे को दिख रहा है.
अब मेरे को मुझे दिख रहा है भाई. ही इज लाइक आप मेल कर दो, ये मेरा नाम है, ये मेरे सीनियर का नाम है, आप मेरे को मेरे लिए कंप्लेंट डालनी कंप्लेंट. मैंने कहा भाई मेरा तू पिक्चर खराब कर रहा है. एक तो
1300 की पिक्चर
1300 की मैं टिकट खरीद के जा रहा हूँ और तू मेरे को फिर ये ट्रीटमेंट दे रहा है डूड.
Abbas, please tell Snehal your experience was bad also.
Bro, I was-
Saw the rest of the movie in SD.
मतलब याद है बिकॉज दे वर लाइक हम और कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, खो गया खराब प्रोजेक्टर.
What theater is this?
इन ऑर्बिट मलाड ब्रो.
Lord.
Guys, go to their Instagram if they have.
Fucking dude,
And if
dude,
you- if
how
you were
did
at
you
the screening, tell us if you
bro
also had the-
hated
It's
it
wrong.
If you
hated
saw
it.
it,
Like,
I
I
not
wish
saw
I
it.
could fucking like out them, name those I actually have their names written. I was so pissed.
Say, bro, say,
I was
bro.
so pissed and they were bhai so rude because dude ek to you should be the one apologizing and
Yeah,
stuff.
100%,
कि भाई एक तो इतना महंगा टिकट लेके हम आए हैं.
Bro, yeah, just we have paid you for a service. Do the service properly, dude. That's it.
एंड आई एम नॉट इवन लाइक कि भाई मतलब तुम मेरे को झूठ बोल रहा है कि एक से उतना ही दिखता है, तो तुम अगेन तुम गधे हो जो तुम 2 प्रोजेक्टर लगा रहे हो.
Yeah,
तू क्या अकेले गया था? कैसे गया?
अकेले गया था भाई.
Fair enough, fair enough, fair enough.
Fucking stupid.
No, my experience was very good.
Already
I
was
paid 2,000 rupees. I found the seat worth it, and the screen was also great. This was
Bro, BKC was
Big
the
Jio World
Jio one.
Plaza,
अरे
yeah,
बाप
the newest,
बाप थिएटर है भाई वो.
हाँ, अगर वो अच्छा नहीं होगा, जियो के बाद अच्छा
Bro,
theater नहीं
of
होगा.
course.
Oh, by the way, have you seen Ajay Devgn has also a theater now?
Yeah, fun.
कहाँ पे? थान में? हाँ, थाने में?
थाने में.
yeah.
Is it good?
Devgan
It looks pretty
Cineplex
good.
or something. It's called. मैंने बाहर
I've
से
seen
देखा
reels
है.
and all. It looks pretty good.
Yeah.
But that's also apparently pretty steep. Not
Price
cheap.
wise?
Yeah, price wise.
मतलब yeah.
आई थिंक
कोई नया theater बना रहा है,
दृश्यम
probably expensive
2
होना
में जिस थिएटर में अजय देवगन काम करता है, आई थिंक दैट्स नेम्ड आफ्टर हिज ओन थिएटर. आई फील, आई डोंट नो.
दृश्यम 2 में अजय देवगन जिस थिएटर में काम करता है?
हाँ, अजय देवगन owns a
opens a
theater
theater,
now
no?
in दृश्यम 2.
दृश्यम 2, yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ, yeah, okay, fair.
But
Oh, that's
anyway,
cool.
yes.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to ask you. Have you guys seen Troy the movie?
No, I haven't seen Troy. And I've heard it's not
मैंने
that
भी-
great.
You've never seen Troy, the Brad Pitt movie, guys?
Yeah, मैंने
Yeah, and I have not seen
It's a
it.
proper
okay, man.
popcorn movie. It's not that bad actually. Brad Pitt is
भाई मैं
awesome.
आपसे ही बात कर रहा था, आपने ही बोला इट्स नॉट दैट गुड ऑफ अ
It's not that good, but it's at least it's an entertaining watch. You will have a good
तो
time.
ये मेरे को फोन पे बोलते ना तो मैं देख के जाता.
मुझे क्या पता तुमने कभी नहीं देखी, you know, in heard of the movie, what the hell?
नहीं, I've heard of the film, but I've also heard that it's not that good of a like
मतलब it's not like
documentation of
mind-blowing
what
in any
happened.
way.
Yeah.
It's not as good as Odyssey and it's not as well made. But it's entertaining, dude, and Brad Pitt is awesome in it.
चलो ठीक, but like so why I got intrigued
And
was
Eric Bana
because a lot of posts on Instagram were saying that Troy का जो depiction है that is actually closer to what the books.
Is it?
Really? I haven't.
पता नहीं, I haven't seen it, so I don't
From
know.
whoever's read the Odyssey has said that it's a pretty faithful adaptation of
This
the
Christopher
poem.
Nolan?
Yeah.
Okay.
I loved the movie. I have not been so Oppenheimer and Tenet. Tenet मेरे पूरे दिमाग सर के ऊपर से गई थी.
Bro, Tenet
I've
is-
never
I
understood
really like
that
Tenet.
movie. But then we all saw it at home because it came out during COVID.
Yes.
Oppenheimer I liked, but Oppenheimer, I think the last third of the movie, which is the courtroom drama, I found more compelling than the first 2/3, which is about the bomb. But I liked Oppenheimer, but I think Odyssey is my favorite film of his since Inception.
Dude, Inception and Dark Knight are my two favorite
Yeah,
movies
same.
of all time.
So
Bro,
I know
Shutter Island?
Shutter Island is Scorsese.
Oh, Shutter Island, sorry. fuck.
so Interstellar.
Interstellar, हाँ.
Interstellar so I like, but वो
I don't like it at all.
What?
जब वो बुक
Yeah, exactly.
शेल्फ के
That lost
पीछे
me,
जाके
dude.
वो करता था
The
ना, मेरे
fifth
को लगता है
dimension
then it's
lost
gone
me.
a little too much.
जल्दी.
But I know that it's a lot of people's favorite Nolan movie.
Yeah.
But bro, Odyssey, so I was actually very skeptical because I was like, Nolan is known for doing like realistic stuff. This is fantasy fiction, right?
Yeah.
How much
That would
can
be
you
cool
ground
as
it?
fuck, dude.
But
He does
bro,
a good job.
he does a great job.
Great job, man.
Especially scenes like when Cyclops ka cave wala scene happens.
Dude, the Cersei, how she's molding people's faces and all
bro,
that.
that I was like, वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता, वो तो कुछ और दिखाएगा. How will you show someone turning into pigs? I'm like, कुछ वो metaphor दिखा देगा शायद.
That's
उसका
crazy,
बनने के
bro.
लिए. I was like, no way he's
That was
going to show
crazy,
that.
bro.
But bro,
हम दोस्त वो प्लॉट तो बता दें.
No, we'll come to that. He's explaining
So,
what his first impression of the movie was.
plot तू बता सकता है एक line
ठीक है, नहीं, to finish your first
No,
impression.
so my that Hades sequence where the dead soldiers come back, bro. I was like from a heavy metal music video, bro. Like it's like shield पे तुम blood डालोगे, then that guy with the eyes covered. The imagery is so stunning for this movie.
Yes,
And then the last half an hour was like, fucking, this is a Rajinikanth
Agreed.
movie.
Agreed.
सीटी बजाओ,
Exactly.
पैसा फेंको.
Exactly.
Thank you,
Yeah.
man.
One hero,
I swear.
Thank you, guys.
One hero against 100
Bro, I
soldiers.
literally like so the moment from the point he returns to
Dude,
his home,
did
I
you
was,
guys-
bro, I was like,
Okay.
चलो, अभी चाहिए मुझे
I have a-
popcorn
I have a
because
question.
this is Akshay Kumar.
So you know how basically all the versions of Ramayana that you will watch and see end when Ramji comes back to
Returns,
Ayodhya.
yeah.
Correct.
I thought that's what will happen here because it's mostly just
Yeah.
like a parallel of Ramayana
Yeah.
essentially. So I was like, oh, when Odyssey comes back to Ithaca, then that's where they end the movie because we know what will happen next. He'll reclaim his throne in some way or some form or the other. He'll banish the suitors or
Suitors and all, yeah.
what have you. So I'm like, yeah, that'll be the end. But then that's why it seemed like the extension of like him going and battling all of them in one room.
Bro,
I
all of
loved
them.
it.
Like ठीक है
But that was not needed.
Yeah, like तुम पूरी पिक्चर में डिवाइसिंग कर रहे हो, ऐसा तुमने ओशन दिखा दिया है जिसमें like the cinematography is amazing, like
Yeah.
the direction obviously is
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Everybody's on point with their acting, the storytelling is great. But then in the last half an hour, it just like I just got out of the film. Like मैं
Also, the action choreography also left a lot to be desired because it was very like so much is
I loved
happening.
it.
No, dude, action choreography was amazing throughout, except for the last action climax sequence. I feel it was a little haywire for me, man. Or
I totally bought into it. Like for me, it was
okay, fair
totally.
enough. Anyway, should we talk about the plot of the movie because
Yeah.
we've already revealed a lot.
a lot everything.
Spoilery things. Spoiler alert. Full spoiler,
Spoiler alert for one
We'll-
of the ancient epics.
Yeah, we'll introduce it in
But
the
we've
beginning
not
also.
yet come to the Lotus.
we will.
We will.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
Yeah,
the
Blue Lotus.
Blue Lotus. Yeah.
Blue Lotus.
Anyway, guys, the plot.
ओ व्हाइट लोटस देखा नहीं, वही मस्त है.
हाँ, 2 सीजन देंगे, तीसरा नहीं.
मैंने भी तीसरा नहीं देखा.
मेरे को ओवर हाइप लगता है वो तो यार.
अबे यार.
पहला वाला बहुत अच्छा था.
कमेंट्स में जब आएंगे तो
पहला वाला बहुत अच्छा था, दूसरा वाला पहले से थोड़ा सा कम था,
ठीक-ठाक है.
तीसरे वाले में दीपिका आने वाली थी बट वो नहीं आई. या सो देयर वर स्ट्रांग रूमर्स दैट दीपिका,
Oh, I had heard these rumors. Yes.
हाँ वो थाईलैंड में था ना आई थिंक तीसरा वाला, बट एनीवे
हाँ,
कंटिन्यू.
correct. Anyway, guys,
प्लॉट.
the plot of Odyssey.
Yeah.
Basically, it is the end of the Trojan War. Okay, that's where the movie starts. Essentially, okay, the Trojan War was ended, as you may know, because of the Trojan horse. The idea of which was thought of by Odysseus himself,
Yeah.
who is the protagonist of this movie, played by Matt Damon. Odysseus thought of, we'll trick the Trojans into getting this Trojan horse that we are saying is a tribute for Athena, which is a common god between the Romans, that is Trojans were Romans, and Greeks, that was the Agamemnon's whatever military whatever army. So basically, the Romans get the Trojan horse back into Troy. There are actually, it turns out there are Greek soldiers inside the massive
horse.
Trojan horse,
Yeah.
and then they break it. They come out, break open the horse, and then they basically infiltrate the city.
Yeah.
Why they had to do this is because Troy otherwise was nigh impenetrable. They had already been at war for 10 years.
Yeah.
Okay, and they were restricted to that beach for the entire time. Can you imagine what just being on a beach for 10 fucking years does to you mentally, physically? You can't even walk properly, dude, for the most part. So that's where the movie starts. And the rest of the movie is after winning the war, the Greeks are now heading back home, which Odysseus's crew basically decides, okay, we're not going to follow the main Greek troops because I'm fucking like tired of Agamemnon was the emperor of Greece then. He's like, I'm tired of following fucking Agamemnon. Let's go on our own whatever route back home and we'll find our way, whatever, we'll do whatever. And
But didn't he say, नहीं एक second, didn't they say कि in the film कि हम लोग उसको follow इसलिए नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि हमारे जो supplies हैं वो थोड़े कम है, हमें एक थोड़ा stop लेना पड़ेगा. And he says कि आप यहाँ से क्यों नहीं लेते supplies, तो he said कि we've already robbed them enough, तो हम लोग अपना खुद का route लेंगे, हम लोग अपना खुद का.
He said in the movie, he said कि the like his right hand man played by Himesh something.
Himesh Patel.
Himesh Patel. He said, yes, correct, exactly. Himesh Patel said, okay, why aren't we going with Agamemnon and Matt Damon's character? Because he's in the beginning, Odysseus is shown as a little more cocky, and then the movie really humbles him.
Eurylochus is Himesh Patel's.
Eurylochus. So Eurylochus says, why aren't we following Agamemnon's crew? And this guy's like, dude, I've had enough of taking orders from Agamemnon. Let's just find our own way. And he's then.
I think what Snail says is what is the actual.
Oh, is it?
That's what even I got. Because he's loyal to Agamemnon till the very end.
Yeah.
Who? Odysseus?
Yeah, क्योंकि जब वो Hades पे जब वो उसको देखता है तो उसी time kneel करता है.
But he was always the cynical kind. He knew his reality. He knows he has to serve as emperor. But he was still his own man in a way.
Then why would he say we've robbed them enough? When he says for more supplies.
So basically, I'll tell you the sequence. Basically, he says, no, I'm not going to follow Agamemnon's crew. We'll find our own way home. It's all right. How bad can it be? It'll be fine. And then Eurylochus says, why don't we just take more supplies from Troy? He's like, dude, we've already robbed them enough.
चलो ठीक है, जो भी है.
We saw how he feels after the whole plundering of Troy.
Yeah.
Pillaging
Emperor
Troy.
Ashoka. Yeah.
How do we connect the dots?
क्या लिया था? Greek mythology ने किधर सोच रहा है?
कौरव के Shahrukh.
Set out.
And then Eurylochus says, okay, but then what will we do with the supplies? Like, we'll just make a few stops here and
Okay,
there.
fair, ठीक है.
And that's what leads to the entire journey. And the entire journey back home, therefore,
So it's
ends up taking
kind
like
of
20 years.
episodic because different things keep happening to Odysseus and his crew at every island.
And then One Piece happens. If you guys don't know, basically One Piece follows the journey of Monkey D. Luffy, and every island is like its
ये
own thing.
format बहुत सारी stories में even Star Wars is like planet to planet. यहाँ पे island to island you go and face a different sort of obstacle challenge on every island.
What is? Yeah, correct.
So that's basically, and then in the end, of course, Odysseus does come back home. But while he's on a journey, something's happening in Ithaca.
Yeah, so while Odysseus is trying to reach back home, which by the end of it takes about 20 years for him to do. So basically he's gone for 30 fucking years because of one
when
war.
he leaves his baby's an infant.
His baby's an
When
infant.
he comes, it's Tom Holland.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, he's like Spider-Man, dude. What the fuck?
But then अच्छा मुझे तो लग रहा था कि वो 18 ही साल का हो पाया तब तक.
हाँ 18 ही हो गया ना.
तो फिर वो 30 साल वहाँ कैसे था?
I don't know. Is he
No. Dude, you are right, man. I didn't even think of that. The age doesn't add up.
Yeah, so that's taken from Krish. क्योंकि वो 2 साल तक नजरीन शाह की लैब में होता और वहां वो प्रेग्नेंट होती है.
Great. You're right, dude. How is he only 18? He should be 28.
He's not 18. I think
it's
it's different in different this thing.
He's off
Versions.
age.
Off
Basically, he's
age,
off
yeah,
age.
kind of.
Off age is 28, I guess, in Greek. Dude.
ठीक है. 30 साल में ऑफ एज पापा तो मुझे बूढ़ा बोलने लगा.
Tom Holland in reality is 30.
But off age, we take it to mean
I'm just
around
saying.
17, 18.
Yeah.
Usually.
Yeah, okay, fine.
So
And the
I'm not
way they
sure.
treat him also is around like
Yeah, like
17, 18
17,
only.
yeah, like
कि बड़ा हो जा आप बूढ़े के पहले.
You're a child.
हाँ.
Anyway, and while Odysseus is on his journey back home, back in Ithaca, which is his home, where Odysseus is the king of, back in Ithaca, his wife, played by Anne Hathaway, Penelope, and his son, played by Tom Holland, Telemachus, they both are dealing with
Suitors.
Be careful, record. They both are dealing with a house full of suitors who have, of course, they know that Odysseus is not. He hasn't come back from.
So
the
there are
Trojan War.
rumors. Some say he's died. Some say
Yeah.
he's lost. Huh.
Correct. So basically, he's not come back. And according to what we understand, according to Greek law, the queen of Ithaca has to choose another suitor as her mate to continue the rule, to be able to rule further. Otherwise, I don't know. This is just for balance. Basically, there's a balance that is required according to Greek mythology. And so there are multiple suitors. One of which is Robert Pattinson, who is seemingly one of the big villains of.
He's great. You really feel like punching.
Yeah,
his
he's
face.
great.
Also, there's Travis Scott in the film.
Yeah.
There is Travis Scott in the film. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Anywho, guys.
He's actually the first person
You see on the screen. Like I entered and it's like, I'm like, I was just hoping that they pan to his feet and there's a Nike Air Jordan Travis.
Okay, so I think the best way to talk about this movie, because there are so many expansive
Things
things
and
we can talk
episodes,
about, is what were your like favorite islands, bits, like the way things were shown, maybe. Like, what did you think of the horror aspects of the movie? Did that do anything to you?
Oh, I loved it.
I
mean, this
really
is
dug
first
those,
time I
dude.
think we're seeing Nolan try out and out horror.
In a way, yeah. I would
Because
say. Yeah.
the Cyclops cave scene is proper horror. Like,
Yeah.
there are moments where it completely
is
goes
so
down,
well done.
and suddenly a hand
comes in, yeah.
picks up. Also, bro, the effects on Cyclops,
Bro,
like,
एक second. The sound design was crazy.
Excellent.
The sound design was crazy
Excellent.
on the film.
Throughout the movie. It was
Yeah. Crazy on the film.
Dude, I had heard some people say that some places made it's too loud, you can't hear. I'm like, no.
Bro, it was
just
amazing.
immersive.
It was
made
amazing.
Sorry, you were saying
Amazing.
about Cyclops.
Yeah, so I was saying that we are so used to seeing CGI monsters in fantasy, science fiction films, superhero films. That एक idea हो जाता है हाँ monster को ऐसा दिखाएंगे like, but bro, the way this shown Cyclops,
The nose टेढ़ा है, आँख ऐसी है.
bro, like you believe that maybe
Yes,
something
something
like
like
this
this
exists,
exists,
right?
yeah.
And the height difference between the two, yet they are in such close proximity. They
Yeah.
are in a cave. फिर जब वो एक दो सीन में उठा के सोल्जर्स को बकायदा काट के खाता है, it's very tactile. Like you actually believe that this is actually happening. So that scene, and my favorite bit is actually, I forget what the island is called there, but I think it is Cersei. Cersei's part also is great. We'll talk about that. But Cersei tells him to go to this one place where in a shield he has to put blood and dig a trench, and his undead soldiers who he
That's
never
Hades.
buried.
Hades is
That's-
the-
that's-
They come out
that's
from
Hades.
Hades, but I think the
No, that island is
Island is Hades.
They
Okay.
basically said
that sequence is my fucking great. Also,
Yeah,
I
no, that's
loved
good,
the
yeah.
way they styled Agamemnon. You never really see his
Never see
face.
his face.
But
Yeah.
his helmet is so fucking dominating.
Yeah.
And that was the first teaser poster that they
Yes.
released.
Yeah.
There is a
Correct.
real spine.
Yeah.
So, like, small
Oh,
things.
what? Agamemnon had a spine.
Yeah.
Oh.
The golden spine thing.
अच्छा,
The
अच्छा,
golden
हाँ,
spine,
हाँ,
that
हाँ,
thing.
हाँ,
yeah.
हाँ.
Like
ठीक है,
that
like
extra-
a lot of people in the country are missing.
I see what you did there. So yeah, I mean, those parts were my favorite, and even so, he meets Calypso, a nymph on an island who keeps
and then
him.
he protests being on the island, just like how there's a protest going on in India.
अंतरिक्ष लगे मेरे को भी खेलने का.
No, I'm like, dude, where do we stop, dude? I say, are we gonna twist everything?
So, I don't know. You saw Supergirl?
No.
Did you see Supergirl?
No, man, I saw a very awesome protest in India today. It was-
Fucking. Let me make a fucking point, bro.
Okay,
I am the political one, and I want to talk about the movie.
yeah,
right now.
that's what I'm saying, Srel. What
But
the fuck?
I was saying Supergirl में she goes from planet to planet, but हर planet एक जैसा ही दिखता है. Like in this, every island and every place he goes has a very strong visual identity. So yeah, man, I really liked all of it.
Dude, yeah, like,
Dude, what was the island of the temptation? The song of the sirens?
the sirens, this island of the sirens, I think.
अच्छा
was called.
साइरेंस
I'm
ही है.
not- They didn't
तो
say
उस पे
much about that.
आप लोग को क्या दिखाया, मतलब एज एन आइलैंड का क्या फुटेज
There are like this mermaid type.
मरमेड
women,
टाइप
हाँ.
थिंग्स नो
तेरा कट हो गया क्या?
नहीं मैं बस
अच्छा।
पूछ रहा हूँ, मुझे लगा हर किसी के टेम्पटेशन के हिसाब से अलग दिख रहा है, तो मुझे ही लड़कियां
तेरे को
क्यों दिख
mermaid
रही
दिख रही थी?
तेरे को क्या दिखी थी?
I'm like, मुझे ही लड़कियां क्यों दिख रही थी? आई होप सबको लड़कियां ही दिख रही थी.
So according to Greek mythology, sirens portray themselves, like present themselves as beautiful women, but actually they're basically monsters who will then, because you hear the song, you will
mean
jump to
women?
the sea.
Sorry.
What
just
is happening,
kidding. Just
What is
kidding.
What is this episode becoming? On one side we're talking about CJP protests, and on the other side we're talking about women being problematic.
Just kidding, guys. Just
What is
kidding.
I love this.
ठीक
I
है
love women and sirens.
and protests.
Yeah.
But
Anyway,
even the whole depiction of that कि वो जैसी wax डालते हैं
Yes,
कान
yes,
में.
correct.
So you don't stop hearing the music, but
Muffled.
muffle हो जाता है हाँ
something goes
correct.
off. So,
So
yeah, great.
another thing that I really liked in the Cyclops sequence is they didn't like any other movie, they would over explain what is happening on screen. They didn't do that. They let your eyes understand, the Cyclops is entering. He's a sheep herder who's getting his sheep back inside. He's picking up the massive motherfucking rock to block the cage, the cave. And then these guys the first time they're about to poke him in the eye, they realize, oh no, we
No,
need someone to open this door, or we're trapped in forever otherwise.
Yeah.
Okay, they let the movie.
No, but
And the
that
visuals
they
they
quite
explain.
literally they spell out कि हम नहीं मार सकते क्योंकि वो
No, but इतना भी नहीं spell out करते. You know what I mean? Like for instance, the rock thing,
Yeah,
the
they
sheep
do
thing.
explain it.
But they explain it by showing it more.
no they this have a dialogue there
Only about the eye thing. Only about opening the
yeah
And by the way, they poke him in the eye and he still opens that rock, by the way, the very next
Yeah, true.
yeah. By the way.
Nolan
Cyclops is also Poseidon's son, right?
He's Poseidon's
yeah वो बोलता तो है and my father
Yeah.
father
So if you think about it, they actually wronged him. He didn't wrong them.
that's why the ocean was angry no
I mean, that I felt throughout. If you see, Odysseus
more in
is
the
a
wrong.
grey character. Actually. He's
Yeah,
not
he's
a
a grey
hero.
character. Correct.
Because even when I think there is a point where Tom Holland's character is like, "Are we not gonna bury these soldiers?" He is like, "No, if we bury them, we won't survive." So he does that. So
But it is true. But yes, you're right.
Yeah.
But
but वो सबका reasoning भी तो देता है कि he is your mentor he was supposed to save you
Same thing about knowing the prophecy that 6 of his men will die in that Charybdis and
Correct.
the sister
Yeah.
monsters,
Yeah.
and having to go through it because he knows that if he doesn't go through it, then all of them will die.
then all of them will die
So you have to take
गलत
these
और
tough
बहुत
calls,
गलत
man.
में से अगर किसी को चुनना हो तो आप किसको
Correct. You're taking
चुनेंगे
tough calls. Other things that I really
politics
like.
is about choosing the lesser of all evils.
Yeah.
मैं
So-
तो डायलॉग बोल रहा था श्रीदेवी की फिल्म का बट ओके
You know what I didn't like as much? Like a lot of things we'll talk about more than I did like, of course. What I didn't like as much was Tom Holland.
या डिडंट लाइक इट एट
He
ऑल
was very straight faced.
भाई एक
He
सेकंड ऊपर
didn't
से
act.
लैंग्वेज क्या डैड
So it's a
Daddy-
very modern.
Yeah, it's a
Bro,
modern
but then
retelling.
would you rather them talk to in thou the dast?
अरे नहीं बड़ा
ठीक है।
मतलब बट
I'd rather they say we've
But
been on this side for
but
10
bro-
fucking years.
But bro, father तो कह ही सकता है,
हाँ,
mother तो
मतलब-
कह ही सकता है, मातृ
ठीक है
पितृ
यार।
ये तो कह ही सकता है.
डैड डैडी कर रहा है भाई
Daddy's sniveling little boy. Yeah. Oh, another fun fact, by the way, is the dog, the pet dog that Odysseus kept behind. That dog is the most ancient species of dog that exists.
नो
And there are like only about like 150 of that species left. It's a highly endangered species. And they somehow found that because Nolan was like, what dog could have possibly existed back then? I want that dog to be in my film.
And then
Only
he
Nolan.
killed it.
Then he what the fuck, dude?
नोलन
Yeah, there is. I mean, there's a bit of animal cruelty in this.
There are a couple of moments of that of
Hunting
against dogs
and
Yeah,
dogs
and then
and-
tossing dogs.
Yeah. And on Cersei's island, he kills a deer and finds a butt naked man.
अगेन टेकन फ्रॉम रामायण
But not but naked.
But yeah, the Cersei island bit was also very interesting and entertaining.
very good.
Yeah.
correct.
When
She's a
it
witch,
strikes
yeah.
you, spoiler alert, ke,
So what happens? Can you explain the Cersei's Island bit?
so okay, they land on this island, and one of the first things we see is there are various species of animals on this island, but they're not aggressive. Like there's a
Yeah.
lion, there's a panther,
tiger.
there's a deer.
Or wild cats. I'm like, oh man, what is this? The Buddhist island?
तो उसमें होता क्या है कि ओडिसियस को एक हिरन दिख जाता है, तो हिरन को मारने के पीछे भाग जाता है. द रेस्ट ऑफ हिज क्रू फाइंड दिस
भाई भाई
और वो हट
भाई,
में
भाई।
जाते हैं और उनको एक औरत मिल जाती है. तो द वुमन गेट्स वेरी स्कैर्ड कि वह जो इतने सारे आदमी आ गए एकदम से, तो कहती कि पूछते तुम कौन हो, तो शी इज लाइक माय नेम इज सर्सी. वो कहती है I've got soup to feed you all, broth.
मीट
हाँ, तो and it's pig meat actually in the soup. So then they start eat, which I've never tasted. So
डिस्क्लेमर ही इज लाइक मुझे बस पता है कि वो दिखता कैसा है
Then they start eating it, and in the story, in the poem, famously Cersei turns all of Odysseus's men into pigs, right? So, like I said, when I heard this, I was like, "There's no way Nolan will show this, right? He'll paint
It'll be off screen or something.
off screen metaphor, कुछ बता देगा इनको कि वो grunt कर रहे हैं. So when they start eating the broth, they literally start eating it like filthy animals, right? Like just
putting
shoving
in
it
their
and
face.
everything.
Can't seem to stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's a wonderful sequence.
Where she starts molding.
She starts molding. जैसे आप मिट्टी के गीली मिट्टी के चीज को किसी को चीज में मोल्ड या क्ले को मोल्ड कर देते हो. But I don't know how they did this, but she does it with this facial skin of these men, and then you realize, okay, she's literally turning them into animals. Then it strikes you, oh fuck, all the animals we've seen on this island must have been humans at some point. And at that point itself, we see Odysseus hitting the deer. Whereas, by the way, there's one little thing they've shown कि Odysseus किसी भी चीज को मारने से पहले bro को string करता है. हाँ, ताकि
Great
वो,
sound effect.
Because like in the interest of just fair game that they should also know I am about to hunt them. But he kills a deer and then he runs to pick it up and sees कि अरे ये तो नंगा आदमी है. तो
ये तो आदमी है. He wasn't
तो
like,
आदमी नहीं.
his problem wasn't कि वो नंगा है. His problem was कि वो आदमी निकला है.
हाँ, ग्रीक मैथोलॉजी में नंगे आदमियों से किसी को खास दिक्कत है नहीं.
Yes.
But yeah, and then he goes back and he finds कि his men have been turned into pigs. But then he also sees that Cersei has a bird. And then there is a revelation further about that bird.
Yeah, and she seems to be really caring
about that
towards
bird
the bird
and,
or something. And
so
then
yeah,
basically
it's like
through torturing the bird, he's able to, not
Correct.
torturing, or like threatening the bird, he's able to get his men
So
back.
I had typical dark fantasy moments like
Yep,
that.
yep,
No,
yep,
this film does very, very well. So
Dude, yeah, like for instance, that whole sequence with Elliot Page in Hades, in Hell.
yes,
Okay, where Elliot Page comes forward and he's like, why didn't you tell me? I died for your lies, basically.
Yeah.
And he's like, dude, I kind of had to. And you would think that, oh, he must have hoped they don't kill the messenger, right? They don't, like Zeus' law again. He's just offering a peace tribute to let him survive. Send him back home and he'll be fine. But no, he ended up dying, dude, because something that Odysseus came up with.
I also want to say the depiction of the Trojan horse sequence. Like in all other depictions, the Trojan horse has like wheels on the और वो roll करके ला रहे हैं, ले जा रहे हैं.
This is the
तो आप सोचते हो कि अंदर हाँ वो चुपचाप बस बैठे हुए. The way they've depicted in this कि आधा submerged है और उसमें ही मर गए लोग डूब के, and he's like he was stinking in our piss and shit.
Yeah.
So you can just imagine the fucking
That's true.
disgusting
Dude, yeah, correct.
this thing in the, and the way they just उसको घसीट के ले जा रहे हैं logs के ऊपर, bro. That whole sequence was very
beautiful.
Beautifully done and effective. So yeah.
Finally then, okay, I think we've talked a lot about this movie. I think it's definitely a must watch.
Imagine us saying कि मत देखो यार नोलन का पिक्चर.
Yeah, correct. It's definitely a must watch,
Yeah.
but like it might differ how much you end up liking it, like how the three of us are differing on it clearly right now.
I mean,
मतलब it's not a 4.5 out of 5.
Yeah, I would say like a 3.5
Yeah.
is like
Same.
I don't know where you guys are cutting marks, but okay.
Like, but मुझे यार एंड का सीक्वेंस मुझे बहुत ही ऐसा कन्वीनियंट हैफैसर्ड सा लगा बहुत ज्यादा.
तू
लाइक
सोचना ये पहली कहानी होगी शायद यार दुनिया की.
हाँ ठीक है.
correct, but we are watching.
बट हम तो अब देख रहे हैं ना 2000 हम थोड़ी वहां पे बैठे थे.
हाँ, नोलन को पहले बनाने
हाँ,
थे.
भाई, कैसी बात.
I have a question. Remember in the movie दिल चाहता है?
Yeah.
There is that sequence, the opera sequence.
Yeah.
What are they watching? Is that Romeo and Juliet? No. What is that?
No, it's something else.
Something to do with Greek mythology only, right? Like
Probably, but yeah, that's also about a lover waiting for her male lover to come back.
Yeah.
Huh.
yeah, that's what I remember.
But I don't think it's Odyssey. It's something else. But it's something around along
Something like
Greek,
that. Yeah, maybe.
Greek
Anyway,
mythology. Huh.
So yeah, definitely go check it out. I think some
You
amazing,
give 3.5.
beautiful
How much
moments.
would you give?
3.5. 3.5, maybe stretching to 4.
4. हाँ मैं भी यहीं पे था कि 4 बोल देता हूँ.
Yeah.
ठीक है. 3.5 सोच के बहुत ही ऐसा बहुत ही कम लग रहा है कि यार भाई ऐसा
3.5 तो हम किसी को दे देते हैं.
Exactly. 3.5 तो भाई आपने पठान को भी 3.5 दिया होगा.
अभी you wait for the comments. People are like पठान को जोड़ो.
But अगर IMAX पे देख सकते हो तो देख लो, पर मलाड में मत जाना.
हाँ.
टिकट थोड़ी कम हो गई होगी.
Sorry, I like how that's become an insult for us by the way nowadays in the comments. Like, hey, don't listen to these guys. इन लोगों को पठान अच्छी लगी थी. We've seen that comment multiple times.
पठान बहुत लोगों को अच्छी लगी थी.
Correct, इन लोगों को पठान से वाला अच्छी लगी है चूते लोग. We get that comment a lot. Anyway,
जवान देखनी है तो आई वुड रेकमेंड गब्बर देख लो अक्षय कुमार की.
जवान से तो बेटर नहीं है भाई. जवान से तो बेटर नहीं है. तू हर बार ये बोलता है, ठीक है?
तो मैं
जवान का डिस्कशन होता है.
फील दैट्स अ बेटर फिल्म दैट जवान.
गब्बर बोले यार.
From Odysseus' Odyssey to our Odyssey to getting to 5,000 subscribers.
Firstly, guys,
Yes.
thank you so much
Big
for
thanks.
getting us
Big
getting us
thank
to
you
5,000 and keeping us there.
For
Yeah.
being here.
And keeping us there. Secondly, the next episode we'll be giving a giveaway of the tickets also. So please tune in for the next episode for that. On this episode, to keep our amazing audience happy, we'll do what we've been promising to do, which is read all
Troll
the mean
comments.
all the troll and mean comments that we've gotten over
Or as we call
the
it,
last
comments.
few months. That we've gotten over the last few months.
Yeah.
And we shortlisted some of the best ones or some of the rudest
Worst ones.
हाँ. एंड लाइक फेयर वार्निंग, हम में से नहीं पता किसी को क्या कमेंट्स है. हमारे इंटर्न ने शॉर्टलिस्ट करके हमें दिए हुए हैं. तो जो भी रिएक्शन है वो आपको लाइक ऑन द स्पॉट ही पता लग रहा है.
Alright, guys, starting with the comments then. These are the mean comments. Some are made out to Snail, some are for Abbas, some are for me,
But are we-
and some are in general for
Are
the
we
channel.
like giving our justification for it? What are we doing?
No, we're just gonna shoot the shit, man. Let's see how it
Okay,
goes.
fine.
Whatever.
Let's see.
Yeah. Dude, some of them are literally gonna be troll comments.
Yeah, so
There's
I'm
not
like,
much to
yes,
reply
you're
there.
right, I am.
Just have a good laugh, man.
मैं हूँ घटिया.
Just have a good laugh. Like, some of them are actually like,
Complimentary.
complimentary. So we're not reading too many of the complimentary ones.
वो हमें
तो we have complimentary comments also.
We have one.
इंटर्न ने अपने लिए ही तो नहीं डाल दिया. इनका इंटर्न बहुत अच्छा है एक्चुअली.
Yeah. So, first one comes in from the username at 1978 Chandrika, who says,
Oh, was
Oh,
he
I
born in
know.
1978?
I wonder, Abbas, is that possible?
Okay.
Yeah, so 1978 Chandrika says, Abbas is like the state board moderator who cuts 5 marks from anyone who scores high marks.
आज मैंने 4.5 दिया, ये लोग ने कम दिया.
Yeah, correct. That's
तो,
सही बात है.
बट मैं मेरे को लगता है कभी कभी तुम लोग बहुत घटिया घटिया पिक्चर को बहुत अच्छा बोल देते हो, तो मेरे को
Bro, तू
लगता है
देखता
मेरे
ही
को
नहीं है.
हाँ,
तेरे को
आपको
पता
कैसे
होगा.
पता really-
तेरे को क्या पता
मैंने
रहेगा?
तुम लोग के लिए वेलकम टू द जंगल देखी थी, ओके प्लीज.
So it wasn't that bad.
हाँ.
But then you guys were like, oh, funny.
Bro, everything we said was funny. You also laughed at. You said you agreed with everything.
मैं
we were-
3 घंटे में 5 बार हंसा था.
हमने वही 5 पॉइंट्स.
Bro, yeah,
It's
exactly.
not just that movie. Sometimes I feel like कोई फालतू वरुण धवन की पिक्चर को भी तुम लोग ऐसे
No, I have never
So
said good
then
things
I
about
feel
Varun
like I have to bring it down a little bit.
I have never said good things about Varun
इतना भी नहीं कि झूठे ही बोल दो भाई.
झूठ नहीं, मेरे हिसाब से कोई एवरेज चीज होती है, एवरेज होती है यार. बट
आप एवरेज तो बोलते नहीं ना किसी चीज को.
मैं
हाँ, आप बोलते हो घटिया या बेस्ट.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारी चीजें जिसको तुम लोग ऐसे अच्छा बोल देते हो, मेरे को लगता है कि नहीं, ये
3
average है.
examples.
But that's
Abbas,
just you
3
being
examples.
a contrarian by
No, not
nature.
really.
That's you, man.
I disagree with that point.
Again,
मेरे को
of course,
examples अभी
like
नहीं याद
every
आ
other movie review that we do, man, you disagree with everything, dude.
No, but I'm not a contrarian for the sake of being a contrarian. I'm just saying mediocre things sometimes impress you guys a lot more. Is my
That could be. I think you do, like, in fairness to you, you do have.
also I watch better films. So
Dude, now I was gonna say something complimentary, okay, about how your take is also fine to have, but now you just ruined it. Yeah, you ruined it. Why do you want to try so hard at being a dick?
I'm not being
Yeah, we'll help you, bro. We'll help you out.
We'll help you be
We're
a
a
dick.
team. We're a team, man.
I watch better films and I watch more expansive and older films than you guys, so I feel like I have a slightly better grasp.
Dude, I don't think so. I think I watch the best films. I don't know what's this debate. But anyway, what I'm saying is, yes, Abbas, it is quite possible that we do end up liking movies a little bit more because
I think we give a more like थोड़ा ज्यादा लीवे
ये
देते हैं हम.
बंदा
That- see-
ये वो बॉलीवुड पगलू है, ठीक है. इसको थोड़ा सा भी बॉलीवुड का तड़का मिल जाता है ना, इसका खड़ा हो जाता है. अरे क्या पिक्चर है.
But bro,
ठीक है?
ऐसा नहीं है. Bro, no, in that if that is the criteria, you are completely the opposite. Anything like extra Bollywood, you go like hey,
Exactly. हाँ, but when it's in a
Even when
Nolan
it's
film,
like
you are very happy about
Even
it.
when it's like yeah, correct, bro.
चूतिया.
Correct. Yeah, I you're both right and you're both wrong. Basically,
What's the next comment?
fair enough.
But what's the term she has used? State board
State board
examiner.
teacher.
State board moderator.
Moderator. यहाँ भी टीचर ने बना.
I don't know. I studied CBSE. Sorry.
Oh, man.
अभी नीचे जो ICSE वाले मारेगा.
Bro, next one is directed at me, and it is Karan Gulati 785. 8. Okay, 7858. Sorry, as said. Whether you agree or disagree with Antriksh, I staunchly disagree. This is for our recent episode. Why does he shout so much? Speak like a human. Which I agree.
और तुम लोग तो रूम में भी नहीं हो जब ये बोलते हैं तो सोचो.
Dude, I get passionate and I want to be heard. You guys.
और घर पे मेरी कोई सुनता नहीं
मैं
है.
सुनता नहीं है तो podcast तो सुन लो यार. No, I just like I get very passionate and I do agree. Sometimes I do raise my volume, but it's never in anger.
Yeah.
It's always in like mock.
नहीं you sometimes
Anger.
when you get worked up you in anger also you do it.
एंड
But it's not like-
पता है
it's not
जब
like
आप
हमको-
गुस्सा होते हो ना और आपको पता होता है कि आप बोलने वाले हो कुछ जिसकी तरफ आप बोल रहे होते हैं ना और साथ में अगर तीसरा इंसान है जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं और अगर आप आवाज पे चिल्लाने वाले हो तो यू जस्ट लुक एट मी फॉर लाइक 3 seconds लाइक सही तो कुछ बोलने वाला है कि मैं अब चिल्ला कि तू कुछ बोलने वाला है कि मैं अब बोल दूं.
Oh, nice.
ठीक है
Oh, I didn't notice
कि मैं
that.
फूट जाऊं.
Oh, what a tell.
फूट जाओ. ठीक है.
Also unless you shout and start an episode now your energy in the entire episode.
That's
हाँ
true, man.
भाई
That's true.
Dude,
I need to start the episode with a good
तुम
intro.
लोग
Otherwise,
को
I cannot. I
तुम लोग
cannot.
को आइडिया नहीं हम
I cannot.
कितना टाइम इंट्रो पे लगाते हैं पता है और फिर भी ये निकल के आता है हमारा इंट्रो.
आज का खास नहीं था. I agree, yes.
हम लोग
Yes.
बहुत
Yeah.
बहुत वक्त देते हैं भाई.
Dude, if I had taken some more time today, I could have come out with a new intro. I agree. I do.
But anyway, ठीक है.
Dude, some of my intros are fucking amazing, dude.
Bro, that Rajiv Masand one was crazy.
Thank you.
Crazy थी वो.
Thank you. Thank you.
उससे पहले भी आपने करी थी बहुत सही थी.
भाई मेरे काफी बहुत सही किए हैं. तुम जाके देखो पुराने एपिसोड मजा आएगा तुम्हें. Okay, next one. Is yes. Lastly, I do shout, and I will work on that. I don't want to be a shouty guy, dude. I don't want to be turning people off if that's the case. But I get passionate. It's what it is. Next one. Antriksh is so dumb.
अरे कीर्ति.
Moving on.
It says Antriksh is so dumb. By stupid logic, the likes of Govinda, Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, and even SRK are bad actors. Antriksh single-handedly made me throw a thumbs down on this video. Hey, don't do that, yaar.
ओ अच्छा ये वो होगा
that.
सुपरस्टार
Just
एक्टर.
overrated.
ओ भाई.
yeah.
Just by
correct.
because they are famous they are overrated. ऐसा
This
कुछ बोला था.
commenter was Sumed came tour.
Came to कर?
3867.
Came to कर.
Came tour.
Came tour. अच्छा.
Okay. Anyway,
But he's a very regular listener.
Yes.
though.
And I think he's won a ticket also sometime. I might be wrong.
hey, I'm canceling that ticket right now. So, dude, like the thing is, I still.
And moving
To
on.
some extent.
Let's just fucking move on.
To some extent, I still stand by that opinion
यहाँ
in
पे
some
मैं
regard.
पिछले
I know
episode का
nobody
clip
agreed
डाल
with it.
दूंगा.
Nobody
वो
agreed
पता
with
है,
that.
उस वाले एपिसोड पे on the episode we argued so much and then when I was listening back to that episode also I think I paused and sat like this.
I get it. Dude, the thing is, I tried to sell this opinion to other people. None of them. Like, I would.
lab rat थे इसमें.
Dude, I would
पहले
always.
चालू करो, इस
No,
पे
it started here. Like, dude, if you watch the episode, no, you can see the moment I think of it. Okay.
Wow.
And I'm like, dude, I'm a genius. I'm so
और इन
amazing.
लोग को लगता है अब्बास थिंकर है.
Dude, I thought I had this fucking, I turned over a new leaf, an epiphany I've had. I'm like going to turn the world around by this opinion. And that's why I held by it. I was so passionate. I was like, dude, no. I have a right, dude.
Bro, it came to a point where people were commenting कि guys वो like as a well wisher I'm telling you वो bit
Get rid of Antriksh. Dude, there are people saying, dude, fucking hate Antriksh. Get him out of the podcast. This podcast will never grow if Antriksh is the part of it. I'm like, it can't grow without me also.
Bro, I love this one comment. I think we've talked about it. देख कोई रैंडम अंतरिक्ष हेट कमेंट था और उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ था उस कमेंट में था कि इसको मत करा करो इसके साथ पॉडकास्ट एंड समवन लाइक भाई घर उसका है इक्विपमेंट उसका है कैसे होगा उसके बिना पॉडकास्ट
खाना मैं खिलाता हूं इन लोगों को ठीक है
दैट इज ट्रू
Okay, next one is comes in from Gurleen Singh Khalsa 7803 who says, oh, another Antriksh. Antriksh was making no sense in this episode, same one. Putting Bhai in mid and then making the stardom an overrated argument. Guys, again, stand by that argument. Go watch that episode. Hate on me some more if you want. But yeah, that's a fun episode.
What episode is this? This is the ranking
ranking
of
actor
the
tiers.
actors.
Dude, see, obviously, think about it also this way, right? We want it to be interesting episodes. This is what makes episodes interesting. Like good debate.
True, yes.
I agree.
Like, though everyone is doing the same fucking
thing
vanilla.
yeah
वही ना.
Men at work, look at you guys. PJ explained.
Shots fired.
Shots fired. I like those guys. I watch their content regularly. Anyway, next one comes from Ashish Meher 1584 who says, to Snehil, I would put forth the argument that Billu climax scene, which everyone refers to, is orchestrated or tailored for the lead actor Billu. I'm not saying Irfan is not better than SRK as an actor, but to judge difference of actor and star on that scene is wrong. If roles were reversed, then SRK would have done that scene better than just SR. You remember what I'm talking about?
Ooh.
I remember.
I also remember, and I disagree.
I also partly disagree.
I disagree. ऐसा so I feel उस फिल्म में मतलब like it's not like कि spotlight एक इंसान पे और दूसरे पे नहीं है. It's quite literally a scene where two best friends are coming back together. उसके अंदर ठीक है अगर पहला मोनोलॉग इरफान का है वेयर ही सेज कि भाई तू बहुत आगे निकल गया एंड वट एवर द मोनोलॉग इज, उसी के बाद इनफ स्पेस शाहरुख ऑल्सो गेट्स टू एक्सप्लेन हिज साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी कि मैं तुझे ढूंढता रहा, ये करता रहा, तू तो पर मुझे मेरा पता जान सकता था. आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ देम हैव लाइक अ वेरी distinct
opportunity,
space opportunity to like you know act, and I'm sure the director would not have said कि भाई इसमें ना spotlight इरफान पे तो उनको अच्छा करने दो. Yeah, that's again a very like shallow thing to say, but anyway.
No, I kind of agree, but I also
हाँ,
but I also understand what he's saying. But yes, I think for that scene's purpose, their argument does not
मतलब
stand.
again you can obviously not say कि एक एक्टर अच्छा है या दूसरा एक्टर खराब है basis one scene, but then if you're particularly talking about that one scene, I definitely think कि अगर इरफान शाहरुख की जगह भी होते तो like he would have been like a better performer there.
Totally fair, totally fair. Next one is Subhi92, another one for Snehal. No, Snehal was rage baiting. Ranbir Kapoor goat
Oh,
is insane.
Ranbir.
Also, Salman should stop acting. Should have stopped ages ago. I think most people here are just blind Bollywood lovers with very little unbiased perspective. That's why the idea of acting being the benchmark for their stardom is so alien to other people here. India needs to end its star culture now. I agree.
Bro, ये आपके
I
वाला
couldn't
point
agree
put
more.
forth शायद she would have agreed with
असली आईडी से हो अंतरिक्ष.
Subhi92, where you at?
You want to respond to this Ranveer?
No, I think Ranbir is an absolute banger of an actor. I genuinely think he is one of the greatest actors of all times. He is one of the greatest actors to currently be acting, and it's not only me. I think अगर आप बहुत सारे celebrities खुद ये बात बोलते हैं that he is the finest actor in the current times.
What do you think of him being cast as Ram in Ramayana?
I have my doubts.
I agree.
I have my doubts.
I think it can go either way because he
Yeah.
does constantly surprise you as an actor.
Exactly. I agree.
I want to respond to the Salman should have stopped acting ages ago wala point. People are behaving like Salman has been really bad for a really long time. It's not true. Up till like
2016.
2016, 2017.
2016, yeah, he was
fine. People were liking his movies.
Bro,
okay,
so
9 years, yes.
people quite literally say Sultan is his best work ever. Like there are
Yeah,
people who
you're
say
right.
this.
But I also
So
understand.
it's not like it's only been 8-9 years since his films, and I'm not saying 8-9 years is a small time, but it's not like उसको बहुत time पहले से उसने बुरा करना शुरू कर दिया था.
So to that point, what I would, in defense to this person's comment, okay, I would just say कि you can tell sometimes, at least in movies when you're watching them, that Salman was completely not into this movie.
Yeah.
Okay?
Bro, but that is true for a lot of actors.
No.
In
Actually,
today's
it's
time.
not. What I would say why it's not is because even if the movie is bad, sometimes it feels like the actor at least is trying his best, you know, or giving their hardest or whatever for the role. Like you've seen so many bad movies, man, but the actor doesn't seem like he's sleepwalking through the role.
Bro, I
he's
think-
like half his mind is at home somewhere else.
Bro,
but Salman को देख के लगता है
watch all the like the veterans of the craft. If I
what
may
Akshay?
say.
Never have I.
I'm not
saw an
talking about
movie.
Akshay, but
never has seen another Amir or
Bro, Ajay
Shah Rukh
Devgan
movie.
almost- Ajay
only
Devgan-
Ajay and Salman it applies to. I agree.
भाई संजय दत्त.
Sanjay Dutt also, yeah.
Off late.
Bro, that's
But
like
Sanjay is not doing the lead roles anymore.
Bro,
no, he's doing character roles. Dude.
कहाँ major antagonist के roles कर रहा है
But bro,
संजय दत्त, and
that's a
उसके अंदर
slightly
सब
more
में
different. Salman is leading.
भाई
the
I
charge.
get it. Again, I am not defending the part कि वो पिछले कुछ 5-6-7 सालों में बहुत अच्छी फिल्म्स कर रहा है. I completely I have not defended that part at all. But again, I still don't agree with the part कि Salman should have stopped acting like since forever or whatever. I still feel 2017 2018 तक भाई सलमान आज तक भी अगर उसकी फिल्म के थिएटर्स फिल हो रहे हैं तो वो उन्हीं 8 साल के टेन्योर की वजह से मेजरली हो रहे हैं, जिसमें एक के बाद एक बैंगर से एक के बाद एक
Agreed.
होते।
But isn't it possible that was just an era of Salman and he's done?
मैं मान रहा हूँ,
So that's what I'm saying. I'm
And he's
saying
past
that
that
era was not that long ago that
Exactly.
people are saying he should have stopped acting ages
Yeah,
ago.
exactly. I completely
When was Sultan was 2018.
2017. I think.
2017.
So then,
9 years.
okay. How many more years then? Are you fine?
Bro,
with
I'm
that?
मतलब
I'm
Is
not
there a date? Is there a date range? Or what is it?
I'm not disagreeing that he's sleepwalking with your roles also.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that I mean he's not been bad for so long that he cannot
कि हम लोग बोलते हैं कि
bounce
he
back.
should, हाँ, exactly. Like you in Bollywood, you always need like one film, and once you
Correct.
get that one film, you quite literally saw that with Dhurandhar.
Correct. One film to change your
Dhurandhar,
fate,
Pathaan
change your
also.
this thing.
पठान या पठान
Correct.
4 साल का hiatus, उसके पहले 4 साल की flop films.
I agree, dude. See like that. If you are making this argument, then nobody should ever stop acting.
Exactly, because you are like I'm
Then,
not.
Then,
भाई,
then our whole tier was only gone.
Bro, they have
stop acting.
भाई,
We made
they
a
have-
tier, dude.
भाई कुछ ऐसा नहीं ना कि सलमान ने आज तक कोई अच्छी फिल्म दी ही नहीं है। हमने जिनको टियर लिस्ट में नीचे डाला था, दे क्वाइट लिटरली हैव नॉट। अब कार्तिक आर्यन को नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है, क्या आप उसको उस नेशनल अवार्ड के बाद टियर लिस्ट में ऊपर कर दोगे? नहीं ना,
मैं तो नहीं करूंगा.
कोई भी नहीं करेगा ना। लाइक
But
एवरीबडी,
why should one stop acting at any age? Zora Sehgal kept acting
Dude,
till her
it's
80s.
not that. Dude, we were
Zara
talking about
Rajinikanth is in
acting.
his 70s.
Our debate was about acting talent. Okay, whether it's showing in their current slew of films, and
भाई
if it's
करंट
not
वाला
showing
फिल्टर
that,
आप डाल रहे थे बार
if
बार।
it's but you were doing like
We
overall.
quite
Okay, I
literally
think
have-
we are going back
But
into
चलो,
that
Going back to
argument.
that, dude,
So
yeah,
let's-
because we
let's leave
kept
it
in
and
that
move
episode
on.
only we kept going back and forth. Hey, should we be discussing their current, what they were doing of late?
Exactly.
And or not.
हमने आमिर खान के बारे में बात करी थी, where we were quite literally judging Amir on his previous films and not his recent films.
We were judging on his roles which we thought were based on Sonam Wangchuk, but they
उतरी यार, ये क्या बोल दिया यार।
Yeah.
ठीक है, anyway.
Anyway, next one is Snehal again.
Again, nice.
स्नेहिल भाई तो सलमान की ड्राइविंग को भी डिफेंड कर लेंगे.
बट सलमान भाई तो सच में पीछे नहीं बैठे।
Nice. Going ahead, next one. So that one was from Karan 720. This next one is from @Atiwari8806, who says, I understand why Antarish got stuck with the overrated discussion. It happens when you think the point you have raised is very ingenious.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Our brain doesn't want to concede that something that is proud of is bullshit.
Oh,
Fair.
bullshit बोल दी इस भाई।
That's totally fair. Totally fair. Yeah, well, I agree. Man, there's no.
Yeah,
I
fair,
do
fair,
do that.
ठीक है।
I do do that. Next one is @Abhik Ghosh 89, who says, Antriksh bhai, आप थोड़ा कुछ लिया करो.
क्या?
अंतरिक्ष भाई आप थोड़ा कुछ लिया करो. मतलब to calm you down or to hype you up.
भाई और हाइप अप हो जाएगा तो हम दोनों का माइक लेके तीनों से खुद बोलेगा
I
भाई।
think according to this person, it just makes sense for the most part.
But imagine if you were even if you were into cocaine, how hyper would you be?
I'm not. That's why.
Yeah, that you're not.
I can't.
So, like,
I-
thankfully.
Have you tried about? Okay, we can't.
हम लोग बोल भी देंगे जैसे.
Okay. @Kunal9400 says, I would rather put Ranveer Singh back inside his mother than put him as a goat actor.
Was this pre-Dhurandhar or post-Dhurandhar?
पोस्ट धुरंधर एपिसोड,
these are
ये वही
episodes.
टियर लिस्ट
अच्छा.
वाले सारे टियर लिस्ट वाले ही
No,
एपिसोड।
a lot of the starting ones are that because that was the most recent episode.
Yeah.
That's a little
That
harsh.
dude, we got like over 550 comments.
Yeah,
on that
I
episode.
agree, I
That's
agree.
crazy amount.
No,
Because
that's a
my
little-
opinions were so controversial.
Also, bro, Dhurandhar, I think Dhurandhar also has more than 500 comments.
Yeah, possibly right. I think you're right. Yeah.
वैसे 500 तो मेरे लिए.
Wait, I think.
बाकी के 37।
बस स्नेल तेरा एक एपिसोड हो जाए बस ऐसा निकल जाए.
मेरे तो भाई मेरे 3 साल हो गए मेरे ऐसे एपिसोड।
ऐसे episode
मेरे क्या?
Son of Sardar
मैं तो भाई मैं तो सुनता ही रहता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं। एक
No,
भाई
I
एक
think this is
एपिसोड
a bit harsh. Like
this is a bit harsh, yeah.
I mean, yeah, no, putting him back at his mother is harsh, yes, dude. What are you talking about? But do you think, do you still think after that episode, that's been a couple of months now, do you think he's still in the GOAT tier? Like now we have a little more distance from Dhurandhar. You obviously didn't like it.
Put him in GOAT award. I don't think.
Yeah, we put it in.
मैंने I think
I think
very
it's still
good में
great.
डाला था.
He's still in great for me. Maybe not goat. Now I have a little more distance, little less recency bias. Maybe.
But I still think नहीं, like I think कोई भी रोल उसने जो किया, I think बहुत बढ़िया तरीका. ठीक है, great, हाँ, good to
great to goat.
ज़्यादा, हाँ,
good
great to goat, हाँ.
whatever. That. Okay.
But
Anyway,
like there's no denying कि इस generation के दो top tier actors रणबीर और रणवीर ही हैं.
Yeah, that's true. That's fair. Next one, moving ahead. Next one, it comes from Umang Sabarwal 8809 who says, "You guys haze Abbas for being a naysayer, but Antriksh is the real contrarian. Just the most annoying opinions." Oh.
ब्रो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ट्रोल कमेंट सिर्फ आपके ही हैं, हमारे बस डिसएग्रीमेंट है.
I guess.
और हम बैठ
When people hate me, they hate with a vengeance.
See, but this answers the first comment where you said I am a contrarian for the sake of being a contrarian. You're the actual contrarian.
But this is just this person's opinion, dude.
अबे ऐसे तो सारे comment opinion
and contrary to the opinion.
I'm contrarian to that opinion. Obviously.
ठीक है.
Okay, next one is comes from Rohan Jacob 8792 who says, Abbas just wants to be different. So annoying. So annoying, I added. No, I didn't decide in the comment.
First part is correct.
But again, it's
second part is your
basically-
opinion.
Dude, both of these comments are just basically
Kind of,
calling
yeah.
us basically contrarians in the same, in different words. Next one is, and they're calling Snehil the most generic person ever, dude.
But then when
This
he says
mob
stuff
mentality.
like Son of Sardar is not that bad, then he also becomes a contrarian.
Because everyone else says it's fucking the worst movie ever, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
correct, I agree.
But it's not. चलो ठीक है.
K Mehta 06 says, out of all three, Abbas is the most matured and intellectual movie reviewer.
Thank you. Yes, very correct.
By the way, please make a full episode review on Tarzan the Wonder Car once. Why?
Bro, no.
It'll be very fun.
भाई बुलाना ही है वत्सल सेठ को भाई.
चलो,
podcast
बुलाते
पे भाई 110% बुलाना है भाई वत्सल सेठ को. It's been too long a conversation on Tarzan the Wonder Car for him to not be on the show.
Next one comes from at Ishika5114 who says, why does it feel like y'all hate each other? Do we hate each other?
True.
Can't stand each other. Can't stand
हमें
each
पता ही
other.
नहीं था यार. अभी कैसे निकाला हमने ये?
कितने साल?
3 साल 4 साल कितने साल हो गए?
ब्रो बहुत साल हो गए भाई.
4 तो हो ही गए.
2 साल तो मैं यही करते हुए हो गए.
मिला था 4 साल तो हो ही गए.
4 साल हो गए bro.
2 हम क्या
2022 is when I met you for the first time at IVM.
at IVM we
then I
met
worked
for
there.
the fucking Star Wars episode.
So May 2022.
भाई
Yeah.
4 साल के बाद सिर्फ 5 साल तो कम है थोड़ा.
अरे बट
नहीं.
4 साल से ये थोड़ी कर रहे हैं हम.
Also we got 20,000 on the other channel.
Yeah, I known you much longer. I'd known him for 4 years.
Of course. Yeah.
Bro, so like your introduction to me when like we were doing
IVM Pop.
IVM Pop. उस टाइम पे IVM Pop
IVM
IVM
Pop
likes था उस टाइम पे.
हाँ.
So तो he was like कि bro Star Wars ये वो I was like हाँ ठीक है करते करते and he's like bro I know just the guy for this. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है and then he's like so there's this guy called Abbas. He used to work with IVM. तो I was like कि भाई कोई मतलब मैं उसी सेटअप में नया हूँ तो मेरे लिए तो लाइक यू कमिंग जो ऐसा पीछे से आ रहा है जीवन में तो आई वाज लाइक भाई कोई पता नहीं सीनियर आ रहा होगा भाई. ठीक है अरे हाँ ठीक है. बट देन व्हेन यू वॉकड इन आई वाज लाइक ये कौन आदमी है भाई. मतलब लाइक
You're like, hey, Kunal Kamra.
because you know like first I thought कि मतलब you know like you are this elderly person who is walking in with all this experience and all of that. ठीक है. R2D2 t-shirt में.
Dude, Abbas does have one of the greatest collection of
I
t-shirts.
agree.
Like comic book, pop culture t-shirts.
I
yes.
agree. हाँ
Yeah.
तो हाँ.
Do you ever like take your t-shirts out and count them or something?
No, I've
like a
never
very
counted
like a very nerdy thing to do, huh?
Do you count your blessings and name them one by one?
That I do, yes. Yeah.
Okay, next one comes in from at Prashant Bhilare 1870. Who says that guy on the right in white shirt with orange peels? That was me.
Him.
That was me. Sounds like he studied engineering in college, which I didn't. Talks like an engineer and acts studious. I act studious? He even got irritated by the chubby guy in the center. At the end of the podcast, he called you chubby guy.
ये बंदे ने सिर्फ एक ही एपिसोड देखा है पूरी जिंदगी में हमारा
Yeah,
और
bro.
कोई नहीं
What the
देखा.
hell?
That guy in white shirt and chubby guy.
That's true. You're right. You're absolutely 100% right. I didn't put that
कम से
together.
कम अब्बास को डब्बास तो बोल सकता था.
At the very least, dude, what are you, a new watcher? Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Prashant
Yeah.
Pilare. I hope at least you like Snail. Is that Ronak at Ronak Surana 3599 says the delusional confidence Antriksh has in his choices is something that should be researched and studied in human psychology.
That's true.
See,
Yeah.
depends on which episode you're talking about. You're talking about the acting tier episode.
All episodes you
Wait.
come with a fucking
Correct.
self-confidence.
But it's always like, see, for instance, if you take the example of the recasting episodes, I always want to make them, oh dude, we're gonna be fucking, I'm gonna kick your ass. That's what I want the vibe to be, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's
because
why.
I obviously know that my options are shit.
Dude, sometimes I do know. Sometimes I come in like straight out of left field.
Yeah.
I'm trying to like make it into like a very
Interesting episode.
interesting hatke episode. थोड़ा like make people also think कि हो सकता है क्या? And then they usually like नहीं हो सकता. But
नहीं हो सकता है, यही है.
But that's where I come from. And delusional confidence Antriksh has, dude, like the thing we do, we sometimes
it's not
need to have.
necessarily a bad thing. Delusional confidence can be.
Yeah, it's good. It's because you miss all the shots you don't take.
Yes, man. Thanks, dude. What Snail? You're on a roll today, man. We're going all deep and all everything, man. Nice. Next one comes in from at Surya Prakash P. Surya Prakash Pathak 5447. This is a long one. Oh, okay. Oh, this is gonna be heartwarming, guys. It says, for people trolling Antriksh, Defender has arrived.
Yes.
For people trolling Antriksh, remember that he is a rare. He's a rare, unfiltered voice who has absolutely no conflict of
I
interest
remember this.
with Bollywood. In
Yes.
brackets, I hope so.
Yeah.
That's what he
There's no
said.
conflicts with Bollywood.
Who has no conflict of interest with Bollywood.
Okay.
He says that is exactly why he can speak his mind so freely. Compare that to Abbas, whose opinions I do enjoy, but who doesn't watch enough films, or Snail, whose ambition to work in the industry is obvious, and because of which he don't wanna offend big names in the industry. Honestly, my expectations for Snail are low. Sorry, my expectations for Snail are low, as he might soon sound just as manufactured and PR instructed like the newer IVM hosts. Whoa!
We didn't say it.
We didn't say it. I mean, I said it, but I was reading someone else's. And lastly, he says, real unfiltered takes are incredibly rare nowadays. It's easy to troll someone like Karthik. Even Snail does it because it doesn't conflict with his career goals. But notice how nobody dares to critique the truly big names. Let's actually appreciate the raw honesty we still have in Antriksh. Wow, what an opinion. What a contrarian opinion you have. I like this a lot. All right, cool. I mean, I agree, but thank you.
Do you agree, Abbas?
I mean, when he says I don't watch enough films, he's right. I don't watch enough Hindi films. So yeah.
That's the only thing you agreed with, you motherfucker.
But I think we do take. I mean, many times
we do.
we've
Yes,
gone
right.
after some really big names.
Dude,
bro.
I think it's just because I'll say like wild quips here and there.
भाई like there have been times जब मेरे घर वालों ने वैसे किया बेटा इतना भी नहीं बोलना
क्या तेरे लिए
हाँ मेरे लिए
Oh, that's so funny. Nice. At Sharam5614 says,
I think one of the messages my mom sent me. I think my nani sent me after we talked about Sikandar. Was like बेटा सलमान के लिए मत बोला करो वो करियर खत्म. मैंने कहा मेरा है ही नहीं अभी वो खत्म क्या करेंगे.
at Jaideep Sagar 7773 has said, I'm sorry, you are not the best Bollywood podcast. It is a tie between you and the Popcorn Hour for me. Sweet. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thanks यार.
I met the Popcorn Hour guys last weekend.
Yeah,
nice guys.
Autograph दिया
And?
उन्होंने
क्या हुआ?
आपको.
Yeah.
दिया मतलब
Oh sorry, autograph लिया उन्होंने आपसे.
फिर से ले. Okay, next one comes from at T Shah, TSHAA, and he or she says, I think some filters are definitely needed, especially with Abbas on the pod.
filters.
Dude, you
What
say
I
crazy
see?
shit about
Like what?
women,
Bro,
breasts
yeah.
and all, dude.
Yeah,
You'll say-
yes,
you'll say
I
stuff like-
agree.
I'm joking.
I agree.
Yes, you are joking. I know you're joking, but
But that's why she says filter, no, bro.
But then why? What's the fun then in doing podcasts,
dude,
bro?
I agree. This one, Tisha is the one.
Yeah,
who's
bro.
wrong. Yeah.
But I still agree.
filters,
But
sorry.
you-
थोड़ा सा
Bro,
रख सकते
I have to
थे
say,
मतलब.
let's get rid of all filters. The
Yeah,
less filters, the
exactly.
better, dude.
या और अभी हमने रीटेक लिया कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah, because I didn't. Yeah, dude. Because I don't want to be the one saying bad shit. Next one comes from at A Tiwari. Sorry, 1 second.
Oh, this one is again A Tiwari. A Tiwari का पहले भी आया है.
One reason your channel is not growing is you don't record episodes during the topical cycle of pop culture and release them.
That is true,
While the
man.
topic is hot. For example, this episode should have come 2 weeks ago.
This is which one?
This is, I think,
About
this
the Kennedy episode.
probably is Kennedy. Yes,
This is a Kennedy
yeah.
episode. I mean,
I agree.
yes,
I agree.
you are right, and we are very well aware. And we do try. The aim is always to have releases in a timely manner. But man, this thing is
We
like
have lives.
we all have jobs.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Lives,
पता है,
ये
but
तो मत
नहीं,
बोल.
but this is so actually I completely agree with this, and this is a very constructive feedback that all of us should take. अगर हम लोग YouTube journey seriously लेना चाहते हैं तो I think we will have to like probably keep it at the forefront and be like हाँ ठीक है, like keep this as priority.
So yes,
But
you're
then
absolutely right.
that would mean that we keep Fridays reserved to record. But then watch whatever releases Friday morning, record Friday evening.
No,
and then release
it doesn't have to be Friday itself, but you can like we
By
can
scheduling we can do
yeah
later,
we can no we can prioritize it in a way कि हम लोग ने जैसे Friday रात को पिक्चर देखी ही देखी, Saturday हमने रिकॉर्ड करा and we put it out by Sunday or by Monday. That is how
That's the editors look out.
नहीं, but we have to record and watch. Friday का रिलीज हुई पिक्चर Friday देखने की बात कर रहा है, 2 महीने तक नहीं देखता ऐसे एक पिक्चर.
See, also like I do have to say that I'm always very impressed by the YouTube channels who are able to release on a very timely manner, because I'm always like, dude, how fast would they have had to record? How fast would they have had to edit and release it?
That's mostly because उनके 15-20 minute के और solo
Exactly.
videos
Also
होते हैं.
the
Exactly,
solo,
that's
yeah.
what. Yeah. Solo plus
For
20
stuff
minutes,
like
that's easier
this,
to do.
like the PJ Explained guys that you mentioned, they do podcast called Men of Culture.
Yes.
I think they do the podcast, I think once or twice a month. Their individual reviews they put out either the day
Like
the
twice
film
a week or
releases.
something, yeah.
And then they do a deep dive discussion on the following week. So they're sure they are.
So maybe there's something to be learned from
Yeah, that's
like
what.
some other distribution
But
strategies.
like before we get on to like multiple videos by multiple people on the podcast, I think एक चीज जो हम लोग at least after this comment that we also have been discussing about it.
Dude,
कि
this
जो
is a big thing we discuss all the time.
all the time.
Yeah.
कि हमने बीच में कैलेंडर भी बनाया था. अब बहुत मेहनत से हम दोनों ने वीडियो कॉल पे बैठ के, बट वो
Yeah.
like because of obviously but for some reasons हम लोग वो obviously कैलेंडर फॉलो नहीं कर पाए. But this is something जो हम लोग को करना चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट जो हमें पता है जो हाई SEO फिल्म्स होने वाली हैं, दैट वी कैन वॉच ऑन द सेम डे and then probably record either right after watching the film or the very next day, because that we did for War 2 and it worked wonders. It's not like कि
yeah.
Work.
So that's
bro 30,000 views on an episode जो एक regular movie
At
review
what
episode है.
cost, Snail?
see, in all honesty,
But that's how it works.
correct.
No.
But in all
By the way,
honesty,
उसके भी कुछ 1000 के टिकट लिए थे ना हमने.
Yeah.
वो.
yeah, correct. In all fairness, like that only applies for the movie review episodes. I also
Of
feel
course.
we should double down more on the slightly more evergreen episodes, like the recastings, the wish lists, the discussions on what's the
Bro,
state of
I love the
Bollywood.
wishlist format that we've come up with.
I
think,
love that format.
Yeah.
I also like the general discussion that we do about like what's the state of films of Bollywood, who are the best actors or the good actors right now. I love the discussion because that
Or,
allows us to be more phailawa and more free about what we're talking about.
Or we
Don't have to
could just
restrict to
have
one
had
particular
an
thing.
episode today about police brutality, to stay current and on top of all events.
Why are we doing this?
We are not doing this.
Why are we doing this? But okay, fine. If that's
One
where-
person, bro.
But the thing is, if we knew the episode was gonna go down this route, tell me in advance. I'll come prepared.
No, but like so. ठीक है, fuck it.
नहीं बोल
कुछ नहीं. कोई बात
क्या डरता है क्या भाई?
कोई बात
डरता है क्या भाई?
कोई बात चल.
There should be no filters, we just said.
यार.
भाई एक एपिसोड में मुझे याद है, आई थिंक इट वाज धुरंधर किसी का एक कमेंट था कि एटलीस्ट अंतरिक्ष स्टैंड्स बाय हिज ओपिनियन. अब्बास का तो क्लियरली हमें दिख ही रहा है क्या ओपिनियन है. स्नेहिल हैज नो स्पाइन. कभी वो अंतरिक्ष से अग्री कर रहा है, कभी वो अब्बास से अग्री कर रहा है.
But it's gonna happen.
ब्रो द थिंग इज कि आई वाज अग्रीइंग विद द फैक्ट कि हाँ फिल्म उसने अच्छी बनाई है, बट पॉलिटिकल उससे मैं अग्री नहीं.
Yeah.
सो दैट्स क्वाइट लिटरली अग्री.
Now what else is he to do? और क्या करे भाई?
इसमें स्पाइन का
जो
मैंने
है
डाला
तो
story.
है, जो है तो है. अब क्या बोले बेचारा? Anyway,
Okay.
next one comes in from this is from the Dhurandhar 2 vlog episode.
Yeah.
Comes in from
But which I
Danial
was not.
Danial Pathan 3525 has said.
Oh, he was also a member. I don't know अभी है कि नहीं है.
Oh,
But he was also a member.
So a member of ours has said, respect to the girl who came with Snehal. Snehal?
That sounds like such a sarcastic comment. Oh, respect to the girl who came with Snehal.
इस आदमी को जेल लाइए.
Moving on, this one comes from at Savera Kanwal 92. This is from the Dhurandhar 2 episode. He says, or she says, it's only me or anyone else who think Abbas and Kunal Kamra are brothers.
Oh,
Abbas, what happened
Fine,
you today?
guys.
What happened
What
today?
happened
Yes.
today?
Hidden it
Please tell
for
us.
so
Yes.
many years.
Yes.
Please, what happened today? What?
What happened today? I saw Imran Khan.
Bro, you idiot. I'm talking about you wearing a
So
mask.
we're recording this on the 22nd of July, and there was a protest in Shivaji Park today, for which I went, but I had put a face mask, and 3 people came up to me and they're like, "Hey, bro, big fan, bro. क्या jokes मारता है? That joke you made about कि सियाचिन में हमारे जवान लड़ रहे हैं, such a funny joke, bro. ये कुणाल कामरा, right?" और फिर ये बोल के वो 3 लोग चले गए.
3 लोग.
कोई नहीं.
Separately or together?
कोई बात नहीं भाई. ऋतिक को भी पहले बॉबी देओल समझा गया था.
But 3 people
सच
together?
बात है ये.
No, different
Separately?
people separately.
Wow.
Ritik tells this story famously that the first autograph that he ever gave was as Bobby Deol.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So he was sitting in his car right after Kahuna Pyare had released apparently, and someone like knocked on the window and he rolled down and he's like, "Oh, big fan, ये वो मैंने आपकी," and then he names a Bobby Deol film. Like मैंने ये देखी, and then he just looked at him like, मुझे लगा तूने, but then he actually signed it as Bobby Deol and gave it to him.
Okay, guys, next one, moving on. The next one is it's like a great troll comment. Okay. Comes in from at Ivy Peters 6770. Okay. Oh no, I'm sorry. I read it wrong.
Not a great troll.
No. It's so the first one is just a good comment.
Okay.
The second one is a troll comment under it.
Okay.
Okay. So this is like the second comment is
Layered है.
Layered.
आदित्य धार, peak
The
detailing.
first guy at Ivy Peter 6770 and second person is Yasho Deep. Okay. So
Yasho
the
Deep
first comment is thank you for getting a bus. And Yasho Deep said no one.
Oh shit!
Why, dude? Why, dude? That's crazy.
Nice.
Oh shit! And Abbas 2 second में कहता, "Oh Yashdeep, I know."
Oh yeah.
He's been a fan. I mean, commenter.
Fan तो नहीं, clearly Abbas.
Member for a long time, I think.
All right, guys. Next one comes from at HB Kumar, who says
HB Kumar.
who says, minority opinion, the generations before you never liked Priyadarshan films as much as you all did in the first place. I remember thinking his movies looked like everyone was trying too hard to be funny. Hearing you say the same thing kind of makes me think that you liked it because you were kids and everything was funny at the time. And now you also have a more evolved sense of humor, so this kind of comedy doesn't land anymore.
I agree.
Correct. I agree.
Some
I
level of
completely
that,
agree.
yeah,
Thanks
for
for
sure.
saying
Yeah,
that.
मतलब thanks तो क्या, मैं तो उतना बड़ा नहीं था, but now when I see, अभी जैसे मैं धमाल 4 देखने गया, अत्यंत बेकार पिक्चर है, ठीक है. We didn't talk about धमाल 4, no, ever. मतलब it's not worth it also, but then भाई साहब, it's such a bad film, dude. It is such a bad film.
Dude, Dhamal 4 had zero saving grace.
Bro, you watched it?
I watched it.
Bro. Horrible.
Dude, it is the most cringy.
Bro, it's an incomplete film.
Incomplete film. Dude, also.
Incomplete in what sense?
मतलब अचानक से everything comes down to like this one thing and they're like, oh चाहिए तो होगा, खत्म, चलो.
Dude,
at least बाकी की 3
everything
धमालों में the money goes to like a good cause or anything, so we know that okay, this is the end. This is the end. Anyway, ठीक है. तो ठीक है, in this धमाल,
It ends with Dhamal 5.
it
Like,
quite literally goes down the drain.
Dude,
the money, and then they're like, oh, एक और नक्शा, धमाल 5.
dude, the most like I don't want to say repetitive, but the most like it's a repetitive joke only in the movie is around the fact that Ritesh Deshmukh has a slightly overweight wife.
Anjali Anand. Yeah.
Okay, the actress is amazing, by the way.
Crazy, yeah, very good actress.
But dude, the entire movie she's reduced to just literally a third character who's there just
for these jokes, the weight jokes.
The weight jokes.
And dude, the weirdest fucking thing.
Ritesh Deshmukh keeps talking. Every sentence ends with "बे क्या कर रहा है बे
अरे
ये क्यों कर रही हो बे
उसके बाद
अरे हमारी हत्या हो गई बे."
There's this one point, dude. Like okay, you saw it from a mile ago कि ठीक है end में रितेश is gonna apologize to like अंजलि कि भाई हाँ sorry मेरे को ऐसा
पर
नहीं
वो भी ठीक से नहीं होता.
वो भी ठीक से नहीं करता है.
Because she at first says कि हम आपके लिए थोड़ा weight
थोड़ा
घटा देंगे.
वजन कम कर
And
लेंगे.
then he says नहीं
मैं अपनी ताकत बढ़ा लूंगा.
नहीं he says मैं अपना greed कम कर दूंगा.
ओ हाँ ठीक है मैं greed कम
तू तो उल्टा ही चला जा. मैं जिम तले जाऊंगा तुम्हें उठाने के लिए. क्या कर रहा है तू यार?
bro, and then this character, dude, then he picks the wife up, bro, and then he says, and like they have to jump from like one cliff to another or like whatever, ठीक है, नीचे लावा है, ठीक है, तो शी इज लाइक कि पर आप मुझे छोड़ के चले जाइए, आप जंप कर लीजिए. शी इज लाइक, एंड देन ही गोज, नहीं मैं तुम्हें उठा के लेके जाऊंगा. एंड देन वो उठाता है और वो जंप करने लगता है, पीछे हनुमान चालीसा बजने लग जाता है ब्रो.
अभी तो ऐसा डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, उस पे हंसी आ रही है.
Bro, and I was like, हाँ, तुम like at this point I'm like, तुम क्या दिखाना चाह रहे हो? मैं like it came to a point क्योंकि मैंने पूरी पिक्चर में सिर्फ fat shaming jokes सुने हैं, तो I was like, are you trying to show that she's as heavy as a Parvat?
Yeah,
What the
obviously that's what they're showing.
Because I was like, what is wrong with? How is this the redemption scene, dude?
Dude, like the entire movie, okay, there are these two dumb kids who are with Ajay Devgan and Sanjay Mishra's character.
Shit, dude.
Okay, and dude, the entire movie is firstly made for kids because nobody else can possibly write these
Kids were laughing their hearts out.
jokes. Wow, I can't understand.
भाई मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, ठीक है, मेरे साथ में एक बाप बैठा है किसी का, ठीक है, और वो जो किसी का है वो उसके साइड में बैठा है, फिर उसकी माँ बैठी है, वो गला फाड़ के हंस रहा है.
Bro, I'll tell you one thing, okay?
The entire movie has
Yeah.
two types of jokes. Three types of. तू मोटा है, तू नाटा है, तेरे पे लग गई, तेरी चाकू घुस गया. That's it.
Dude, I'll tell you a crazy moment of brand integration that I noticed in the movie.
चिवड़ा no, some चिवड़ा.
Gopal snacks with.
So Gopal Sachs is all ठीक है. I'm talking about MG cars.
Oh yeah.
So basically, me and my wife just recently bought an MG car.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, excited, like, oh, MG wins are showing up and all fucking crazy, okay? So the whole movie, there are like multiple MG cars that are there, okay? There's one scene where the kids that are traveling with Ajay Devgan and Sanjay Mishra, they steal the keys of the car. And there are gundas running after Ajay Devgan and Sanjay Mishra. So they come quickly, sit in the car, and they're like, where the fuck are the keys? And the kid is standing outside, हम नहीं देंगे. तो अजय देवगन लाइक, अरे बच्चों प्लीज चाबी दो. लाइक नहीं हम नहीं देंगे, चाबी दो, नहीं देंगे, अच्छा मत दो. टेक्स आउट हिज फोन, switches on the phone from the car. I'm like, yes, that's an MG for you, dude. Phone give
Bro, random ass jokes where this
very
guy,
stupid. Everything
very
was-
stupid, dude.
Nothing made sense, dude.
Bro, there's this again. If you want to do meta humor, do it like Welcome to the Jungle. Very like not that great an example, but still very recent example.
Just, back to back example.
Like do it like Welcome to the Jungle if you want to do it. But there's this one sequence where Ajay Devgan. So the Ajay Devgan's track is basically that he wants to woo Aisha Gupta's character as she has two kids, and now Aisha Gupta basically says कि तू मेरे बच्चों को, like if I get their approval I will marry you, it's fine. बच्चों का अप्रूवल उनको मिल नहीं रहा है बिकॉज दे आर स्टिल लाइक हमारे पापा की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. सो वो उनसे बात करने के लिए, मिलने के लिए उनके घर आता है एंड इज लाइक, अरे बच्चों ये वो वगैरह वगैरह मुझसे लाइक ठीक से बात करो, मुझे एक्सेप्ट कर लो. देखो हम तो तुझे कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, तुझे हमारी मम्मी से नहीं हमारी कामवाली बाई से बात कर ले अगर तेरे को इससे वो होता है तो. कामवाली बाई अजय देवगन को देखती है एंड शी गोस,
I told you this exact joke. Please go ahead.
एंड देन शी गोस, छे नहीं, ठीक है. एंड देन संजय मिश्रा साइड में बैठा होता है एंड देन ही गोज कि तो आपका मेरे बारे में क्या ख्याल है, ठीक है. एंड देन शी गोज, जब अजय देवगन को मना किया तो क्या संजय मिश्रा को हाँ बोलेगी. मैं
I held my face.
I was like,
I held my
लोग ने
face.
उस दिन सेट पे लिखा होगा. And then this guy's like, why didn't Sanjay Mishra
Yeah,
object?
dude, that's an insult to him in real life. Why would he agree to that? That's crazy.
Dude, so he has multiple of these jokes.
So like my point exactly was I was telling him like basically we met last week and all.
Yeah.
So I was telling him कि
अच्छा
you fucking
You
cancelled
didn't
Chana.
turn up.
sorry I
Yes.
did now. Sorry.
So basically, so I was telling him, dude, it's just the dumbest, most lazy way to show meta humor.
Yeah.
Okay, because this, like, for instance, this Ajay Devgan and Sanjay Mishra moment, that was just one of them.
Yeah.
There's another that stood out to me because it was so badly done as a meta moment, was Ritesh Deshmukh and Anjali is the actress
Anjali
name.
Anand.
Anjali Anand. They are up in the hot air balloon. Okay, and Anjali Anand is telling her husband Ritesh Deshmukh, saying कि हमें उनको वहाँ पे छोड़ के नहीं जाना चाहिए था, क्या कर दिया हमने. Okay, and Ritesh Deshmukh goes, अरे हाँ, he's like,
तुम 1 2 3 में नहीं थी ना.
मेरे को बोलने देना यार.
अच्छा sorry.
क्या है यार?
अच्छा sorry.
मैं इतना सेटअप कर रहा हूँ, तुम लोग ले जाते हो पंच लाइन. क्या है? ये कोई बात है? ये कोई बात है?
जोक बता चुका है,
क्या है?
पिक्चर देख चुका है.
क्या है ये? तो उन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है.
बोल.
Even for them it's bad narration if you're doing this, dude. It's bad narration, man.
Sorry.
Fuck it, dude. I don't give a shit.
बोल.
नहीं हो गया. I don't want to do it.
अरे आप तो गुस्सा हो गए.
Cut that whole thing out, dude. आता नहीं है तुम लोग को.
Keep
You guys are like my mom when telling a story. Just horrible, dude. Who tells the main punchline of the story while the story is going on? What the hell, dude? Stupid idiots. Yes, I do get angry at count. Yes. What the hell, dude?
इसमें ना एंड में जब सबका लावा लुवा गिर रहा होता है ना दूसरे पे, तो ऐशा गुप्ता फोन कर, एक तो स्टूपिड उसको लग रहा है अभी तक ये लोग मस्त वो है, चिल कर रहे हैं, डे आउट पे गए हैं, उधर पूरा पिक्चर खत्म हो गया. बट एनीवे ठीक है, ऐशा गुप्ता कॉल संजय मिश्रा, इज लाइक सब ठीक चल रहा है ना, बच्चे के साथ सब चिल कर रहा है. एंड ही गोज, अरे फोन काटो नहीं तो हीरो के साथ साइड कैरेक्टर भी मर जाएगा.
Yeah, dude. It's just dumb shit like that.
Anyway, next call.
5 out of 5. I prefer it over Odyssey.
There was adventure movies. There was adventure movies.
देखो दोनों एडवेंचर फिल्म्स थी. ठीक है.
Okay, next one. Last two is this one is from Chandan J Thakur, who says, "Antariksh is hilarious, but please visit a speech therapist."
Wow.
What?
Dude, the thing is, I talk very fast sometimes.
Compliment or
and
insult?
I'm like, it's not easy to understand what I'm saying. It's not. What's the name? What's the word? Legible? No.
Legible is for writing.
Yeah, understandable.
Audible? I don't know.
Understandable. Yeah. I basically so I end up mumbling or chewing my words or speaking them too fast, so that is not easily understood. Especially, I imagine if you're listening or watching it.
So इसका मैंने आई थिंक एक जगह पे किसी से सुना था कि अगर आप बस आप बहुत तेज बोलते हो एंड यू लाइक स्टार्ट चूइंग योर ओन वर्ड्स, या आप बहुत तेज लिखते हो और आपकी हैंड राइटिंग बहुत खराब हो जाती है,
Your brain is working faster, yeah.
योर ब्रेन इज एक्चुअली प्रोसेसिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन faster than your body is able to catch up with it. So he like might actually have like a sharper brain.
Dude, I do think
Or like or like a weaker body. I don't know.
his body can't keep up his brain, dude. Just say like that. But yeah, like, so I've always had this problem. I actually get it from my mom, who also speaks very fast sometimes. But like, I think I take it to like a whole different.
Oh, I also had a speech problem. I had
I won't call it a speech problem.
Like,
no, I'm just fucking, dude.
हाँ नहीं मतलब मेरे को स्टैमरिंग का इशू था काफी.
Oh, dude, मेरा तो अभी भी होता है. मेरा, but it's not like out of. It comes out of like just regular speech में I'll stammer some words here and there, but it's not like.
नहीं मेरे मम्मी ने बहुत मेहनत
pronounced.
करी है भाई, like proper like speech sessions और ये और वो खुद ही like खुद ही पढ़ के वो करवाई है.
तेरी मम्मी ने?
Yeah.
Okay, nice, man. That's pretty good. Okay, next one. And the last one that we will do in this episode is at Prathameshbar De 742 has said, Abbas is the Sucharita Tyagi of this group and Snehil is the Anmol Jamwal.
What does that make you?
Oh.
I don't know, Raji Masan. Maybe. Or tune into the previous episode.
Imagine Jamie listening to episode like, cheese Snehil.
Yeah. I got Snehil, dude. I got Snehil of all people. I don't know. I'm Anupama Chopra or something. I don't know. I'm a nobody, dude. Guys.
I should be the Bharadwaj Rangan, right? Like I look also like him.
No, but
Yeah,
he's
but you don't
actually a
like
good
anything.
one.
No, but you don't like anything.
You mean to say Sucharita is not good?
So she,
No, but she doesn't like anything. She doesn't like anything, just like you, Abbas.
Sucharita likes a lot of stuff.
yeah, she likes Anurag Kashyap films that you also like.
No,
Yeah.
she didn't like Bandar.
She didn't like Bandar. Oh, I haven't watched it yet.
Oh well.
Oh yeah, I watched the review. She didn't like it. She said we don't need films like these in today's times.
उसको वही Me Too वाले portion से problem था. By the way, so Kashyap was on Kunal Kamra's stream recently.
Yes, correct.
And उसको अमेया देशपांडे ने भी वही क्वेश्चन पूछा. तो इज लाइक कि तुमने देखा होगा मैंने बंदर के बारे में कुछ प्रमोशन नहीं किया, इंटरव्यूज नहीं दिए. बिकॉज द फाइनल कट दैट हैज कम आउट इज नॉट द कट
Yes, he did say that,
that I signed off on. So
But he posted a lot of stories about.
I know, but
he
the
wants to do well, I'm sure.
production house
क्या
has
बोले?
meddled with the movie. He said the final cut is not my final cut.
So you mean yet another Anurag Kashyap type predicament he's in?
हाँ, but then वो देख के मेरे को लगा maybe he should let other films also the production house meddle with.
Why? So that it gets released.
No, Bandar is I think one of his better films that's come out in the last couple
Oh, I
of
haven't
years.
seen it yet, dude. Oh, you better than Kennedy?
Better than Kennedy.
What are you saying? I really like
कैनेडी तो अच्छी लगी थी मुझे.
हाँ, और अच्छी लगी but मुझे बंदर ज्यादा अच्छी लगी.
Nishanchi से better.
निशान जी मैंने देखी नहीं है.
Acha, okay. चलो ठीक है. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of all the comments that we had basically compiled for this episode.
Yes.
Let us know if any interesting ones that we wished out, or let us know some of the mean comments that you guys can come up with right now.
भाई
and
mean
then
comments तो बहुत. I don't know. I think bro mean comments तो मेरे को बहुत ही गंदे mean comments तो मेरे को ऐसा.
Bro, like some
हाँ
तो
मतलब obviously
our
I think
intern also
would have been like कि भाई तो रो देंगे episode
Yeah, भाई,
में.
इतना क्या है भाई?
नहीं डालते. ठीक है.
also like super mean comments. So what do you even do with, man? Just mean
हाँ
to
मतलब
think-
क्या ही जवाब दो ना. हाँ fair ठीक है.
Yeah. Anyway, I think we've given up our like the chink in our armor now, because now people know we read all the comments.
हाँ तो अब वो और गाली दे.
Yeah, dude, it's not a good thing for people to know that we read every single comment. What the hell?
चलो कोई बात नहीं.
But yes, we do, and thank you so much
Yeah.
for tuning in to this episode of Pop Conversation. I've been Andresh Thakkar, this is Snehal Aneja, Abbas Moment. Please follow us everywhere on Instagram, on YouTube. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button.
Hype the video.
Become a member, hype the video. Yes, definitely become a member. We have 2 membership tiers: popcorn tier, salted tier, and the caramel tier. And yeah, a lot of fun things. Next week, tune in for the giveaways. What's coming up? What movies are coming up? Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Yeah,
Spider-Man. Toxic also, bro. Toxic is next month.
Toxic is in August,
August, yeah.
Okay.
Toxic is August.
We might do the Odyssey recasting. Let's see.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
जुलाई में और कोई मेजर बॉलीवुड रिलीज तो नहीं
Dude,
है.
Odyssey recasting we should definitely do. Actually, it's gonna be a very fun episode.
Yeah.
we should definitely. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of the episode. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Bye bye. See you again next week. Follow That Filmy Game Show. Follow, as I said, both of these guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.